money from your fingers. Fingers down my side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Yo, what's going on, guys? Bitcoin's dumping again. Are we surprised? Not really. Yo, fingers and Clint's behind. 27,000 Bitcoin coming back down to test the lows again. We're gonna test it, man. Yo, what's going on, man? Bitcoin dumping. We're going to jump out into it, man. We're not going to waste any time today because Bitcoin is dumping. The horse guy is pissed. Job is pumped. Everyone's going absolutely nuts right now. But guys, here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. Before we get started, I got a confession to make, okay? I forgot the White Castle today, okay? So we're going to have to do that tomorrow. So I got a big confession. We forgot the White Castle. You guys are saying cringe music. Let me hear the music you guys listen to, all right? Let me hear that. All right, so what's going on here, man? What's going on? Bitcoin dumping, 26,977. Will we continue to make lower lows? Let's find out, man. Let's find out. All right, give you guys a sec.
What? No! No! This is manipulation! This is literally manipulation! No! George! You told me the bottom was in! What is this? I was promised Congo up! I was promised green candles! Ben Cowan, you told me June relief rally! What is this? It must be manipulation. I'm going all in. 100x long. No. No.
Oh, Lord. Yo. Hold up. What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We're getting a little manipulation. A little manipulation. Guys, 27,072. All right, so we're going nuts. Where's the White Castle? Freezer session. I forgot, okay? I forgot the White Castle, man. I did. I'm not going to make any excuses this time, okay? You guys know me. I love making excuses. But I'm going to make no excuses. I said like 20 minutes ago, I was like, damn, I forgot the White Castle, man. I literally forgot the White Castle. So, I'll eat it tomorrow, okay? I told you guys I was. All right? So, it is what it is. We got some coffee today, man. It's like a cloudy Sunday. I'm a little tired, man. I'm a little tired, but we're gonna push through it. It's a cloudy Sunday. I didn't really do shit today, but I don't know. I'm a little tired. But anyways, let's continue on. So, but I can say where there's a White Castle freezer section. Yeah, I mean, I can easily just go to the store and get it, but it's stream time, so we can't do that, man. We can't do it. All right, so let's see what Bitcoin's doing. So Bitcoin. Let's actually go to the daily time frame. We've been talking about this daily bear flag, man. This daily bear flag. You know, everyone didn't want to hear it when we were up here, right? We remember everyone, all the moon boys getting pumped on this pump, all the moon boys getting pumped on this pump, and then we dumped straight back to the downside. We sort of said this price action was looking very familiar to this big bear flag up here, and so far, it's played out, right? 27K. Here we are back down at these levels once again, all right? Now, what can we expect now, man? What can we expect now? Hold on one second, guys. There we go. What can we expect now? Well, we have a target, right? If we take our bear flag target, Listen, I'm not a big fan of targets, but if we take this to the downside and we extrapolate this to the downside, this is going to give us a target back down to approximately, if you take it like this, right, approximately about right around the 22K level, right, 22K, and that's an important area. Why is that an important area? Well, that's where the 200-week moving average is, man. All right, that's where the 200-week moving average is. So everything kind of pointing to us going back down there at some point. Now, will we bounce up first? That's what we're going to talk about today. Will we bounce up first? But guys, I know everything's doom and gloom. I will continue to say this, man. I'll continue to say this before we get started today, man.
Rant alert.
As the prices are moving down, these are the times that are going to make you the most money when the market goes back up. Do not take these times for granted. I know everyone right now probably thinks it's going to 10K, 5K. Everyone panic, we're going to zero.
Everybody panic, we're going to
Okay?
zero.
Everyone is scared. Everyone's panicking. It's the end of times, okay? I will say, whatever your plan was up here, I guarantee you're probably thinking a different way now, right? The market's dumping. Are you changing your plan because you're seeing red candles? That's why we said make your plan up here before you start to get emotional. All right? So, market's coming down. I probably see it coming down a little further in my opinion, but stick to your plan. Just because you're seeing massive daily red candles doesn't mean not stick to your plan, okay? Doesn't mean not stick to your plan. These are the times where you need to pay attention to the market, man, because I'm telling you, if Bitcoin's going to have a capitulation event, you want to be around for it, and you do not want to miss out like March of 2020 if something like that was to happen, all right? So let's go back to BTC on the short-term time frames. Looks like Bitcoin is coming back down to its lows. Let's go see what's going on, man. Don't worry. Strap up. We're still going to the moon. Don't worry. Stay positive. Oh, don't you worry. If we don't bounce to the upside, I will find you. Hey, Lark, I'll find you. George, I will find you. If we don't pump soon, oh, my stimmy's gonna be gone. And guess what? I'm not gonna be happy, Jimmy, with this stimmy. So strap up. We're going to the moon. You don't want to mess with crazy Jimmy, man. We don't want Jimmy to get crazy. Remember last time Jimmy got crazy? It did not end very well, okay? So let's watch this closely on the short-term time frames today. The daily close today, guys, I mean, we sort of said we're coming back down for this wick on the daily time frame, and Bitcoin has came back down for this wick. And, you know, here's what I want to show you guys today, right? On the weekly time frame, real quick, we have the hash ribbons indicator flashing capitulation. What does this mean? Well, this means that the miners are about to capitulate or are in the process of capitulating. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Whenever you've gotten this capitulation flash, very shortly after you've gotten a buy signal, and every single time this buy signal flashes, it's been some of the best possible areas that you could buy Bitcoin. This is something that we looked at a long time ago, right? And we're sort of waiting for that same thing to happen, and we finally got that first flash of capitulation, man. We finally got that first flash. So what's the last time we got that? Well, last time we got that was up here in April 2021, where Bitcoin dumped. Right, and obviously we got the buy signal there, and then that bounces back to the upside. But this is the first step. You got to see that first. And what did we sort of talk about? Every single major rally for Bitcoin has always started, okay? Always started with a capitulation. Or you've always got a capitulation, okay? You've always had everyone screaming for the hills. No! Shit! I'm selling my whole portfolio! Bitcoin, ETH, Shiba, screw all these coins. I'm out of here. I'm not investing in anything. I'm never investing again. I'm selling right now. Wait, Bob, you're selling? Wait, I need to sell too. Shit, I need to get out of the market. Oh no, shit. No. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today I'm finally admitting it's a bear market. It is officially a bear market, and we are going to go back down to the downside. I'm telling you, we are going to go back down to the downside. It is officially a bear market, guys. George just finally admitted it's a bear market. You know what to do. George just said the word bear market. You know what to do.
Dumb.
That's what we need. All right. Every single run for BTC, okay, has started with a capitulation. So it's flashing, right? We can go back and look at all the previous times you got that flash, right? 2018, you got that flash. You had a big drop, right? We look back in literally last year, right? We got the flash of capitulation. Not shortly after, we got a big drop, right? We can go back and look at all the times. Right here, you got capitulation on March of 2020, right? You still had a big drop that next weekly candle, all right? So we can go back and look at all these previous times, but every single time you've gotten this flash capitulation, not too long after, within a few weeks, you're usually close to one of the best buy opportunities that you could possibly get. So make sure you are paying attention to it during these times. I think the next month to 2 months is going to be some of these most important times of your life. And I'm not saying that lightly, man. I do think the next 1 to 2 months will be some of the most important times of your life. And if you take advantage, then you will be greatly rewarded. If you make the right decisions during this time, you will be greatly, greatly rewarded. But it depends if you want to, if you want to take advantage, man. That's all it's going to come back down to, man. When he admits it, we probably will go back in the bull market. Finally, Mike. That's what I'm waiting for, man. That's what I'm waiting for. How come we are going down like freaking hell? I mean, listen, man. I mean, we sort of said it on Friday, right? The stock markets were getting absolutely toasted. Absolutely toasted, man. The stock markets were getting toasted. It's actually kind of funny that the Bitcoin dominance is going down today. It's actually kind of funny. The Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit. I know it's in a major uptrend, but it's just kind of funny it's going down today. We just talked about, man, I mean, the stock market, S&P getting absolutely smashed to the downside last week, at the end of last week, right? NASDAQ getting actually slapped to the downside last week, and Bitcoin was holding up. I didn't expect it to hold up, right? It's a perfect time to dump Bitcoin during the weekend. Man, I mean, it was, I think it was pretty, it's not always obvious, but I think it was pretty obvious that Bitcoin was going to dump, and it wasn't going to hold up. I was pretty certain about that. Just the way that the stock markets looked, the DXY looked like absolute shiza, right? Look at the DXY, still continuing up here, 104.31. DXY just continuing to crush it here. That was pretty freaking obvious, man. In my personal opinion, I don't think it was. I don't think that was a question, in my opinion, that we were going to dump either this weekend or next week. But yeah, so I mean, we're sitting right at the lows right now, man. So we'll watch this very carefully. I mean, it's tough to really do any TA because we're already at the wick lows. What I'll say is, if we take a look at, say, like the hourly time frame here, guys, you know, what I'll say is this. What you want to see for Bitcoin, in the case for the hope for the bulls, short-term hope for the bulls, is you got that hit to the downside, you moved up. This is the second hit to the downside, and then you hopefully get that move back to the upside, right? You got the white stopping volume candle there. You're looking to get that move back to the upside. That's the case for the bulls. If you come back down and you break this previous wick right here at about 26,887, it's probably not going to look too good, and that's probably when we're going to see a pretty interesting drop if that case does happen. We'll probably be playing this again, man. Not too shortly after, man. Guys, by the way, I know the market's dumping. If you could smack up the like button for your boy, I appreciate everyone hanging out. Even though it's a shitty day, I'm telling you guys right now, it's not that shitty of a day. It's not, because I continue to say this now, man. Like, we're getting closer and closer to where I think the bottom is going to be. I know I'm saying this as I'm on fire. That's the funny part. I'm literally going on a rant about good things as I'm on fire. That's never a good thing. I know no one wants to hear it right now, but I'm telling you, man, we're getting closer to where I think the bottom is, which is the 200-week moving average. Everything's setting up for that to be relatively the bottom. We've got the weekly RSI. Weekly RSI is almost oversold, man. It's only ever been oversold twice in Bitcoin's history. And both times it was barely oversold, right? Monthly time frame. The monthly RSI is literally sitting right on top of where it's bottomed in the two previous bear markets, man. So we are getting, I'm telling you, man, I think we're getting pretty close to a bottom. Don't think we're there yet. I will say I don't think we're there yet, but I want everyone to be prepared and take advantage when the time comes, man. I want everyone who's been watching this stream to take advantage. Been watching my stream forever. Because how many people in the chat? Guys, raise your hand in the chat if you've been waiting. If you've been waiting for a bear market to be able to accumulate low, okay? let me know in the chat if you've been waiting for this. All right, let me know in the chat because, quite honestly, I mean, how many times have we had this in Bitcoin's history? We've had this like twice in Bitcoin's history. So, just be ready. Just take advantage of it whenever you're ready to put the buy orders. I'm not going to tell you to buy now, but whenever your guys are ready, make sure you guys are ready. All right, that's all I'll say, man. My neck's looking thick. You've been pumping the iron, huh? Yeah, I've been doing some. I've been doing some traps. Bob's been giving me some trap pointers, man. Bob's been doing some traps. Bob, how do I do traps, man?
How do you do traps? Just take the dumbbells and go like this. That's it. Why do you think my traps are so big? Look at them. They're massive. It's the only part of my body I work. It's probably because when I... No, I'm not going to say it, but, probably because when I go to the bathroom, I have to keep my arm up like this. So I go. Right, this is how you do it, Jordan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit! No, Bob has massive traps, man. Bob has massive traps. Bob's been telling me all about the trap workouts, man. He really has. The trap house. Now we're uncharted territory, honestly. We are in sort of uncharted territory, but, we only have to look at what we have to look at, right? Hold up. I love that. Fart jokes never get old to me, man. If fart jokes get old to you, I don't know what to tell you. You have a terrible sense of humor. All right, what else we got? Tether dominance, man. We're coming up for the wick, right? We're coming up for the wick for tether dominance. Is this gonna be the level that we get stopped out at, man? Right? We talked about this wick on Friday about this wick up here on tether dominance, and we started to get that move up on tether dominance, man. What is so important about tether dominance? When tether dominance moves up, quite frankly, Bitcoin obviously is going to come down. That means that money is moving out of crypto, right, and into stable coins, right? Pretty self-explanatory. That's moving up. We're coming for that wick. Will that be the point where we get, what we're waiting for, which is the first hit, the second hit, and then the reversal back down that hopefully builds a little bit of a strong base, no pun intended here, for crypto, right? Will we see that? Well, time will tell. Time will tell on that as we move forward as well. But we know when this typically tops out at this trend line here, right? A trend line is a trend line. It could break. But we know typically March of 2020, September of 2020, June of 2021 have marked bottoms in the past. And we're kind of sitting right at that top level right now. This breaks, man, it's not looking too good. It's not looking too good for us here. So we'll continue to watch this. But this is obviously something I'll continue to watch on with you guys, all right? And got my shopping list out. There you go, man. What are you guys buying right now? If you guys are buying Bitcoin, altcoins, let me know in the chat what you guys are buying. Money moving into beans? Facts, man. Let's see. Last fart literally printed 3% on my short. Easy money. Can I fart again? Yeah, man. Every time I fart, or not every time I fart, actually, every time I fart, the market goes down. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. Let's test this. Let's test this right now. I'm going to fart. We're at 27.93. I'm going to fart. Watch. We're going to go down. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Give it 5 seconds. Give it some time. Give it some time. Okay, it's not working. It's not working, unfortunately, man. It's not working, unfortunately. All right. Let's go back to the weekly time frame, man. So, guys, the weekly time frame. I'm watching what we want to see for the close tonight. And I don't know, man. I don't know what nowadays if people are bulls, bears. I don't know what's going on in the chat. Like, everyone that used to be bulls is bears. Everyone used to be bears is bulls. I don't even know what's going on. It's just a wild zoo. But here's the thing. Here's what I want to see in the weekly close. If anything, I want to see a weekly close above for the bulls, I want to see a close above the 200 EMA. The 200 week EMA. Right now, we're sitting right below that. If we close below that, right? Let's watch it, but that was hopefully to be some support. We still got 43 minutes until the close, so we still have time to get back above it. But let's watch that. If that closes right here, obviously, either way I'm looking at it, I'm still looking at a move to the 200 moving average. Oh, Job is going nuts. We got street races outside. That's me. I'm street racing. Jordan, I'm going to get you White Castle, but I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. Move! Don't you see the Lambo behind you? Move your shitty Civic! Go! Go! I gotta get Jordan Whitecastle. He forgot. I gotta get Jordan Whitecastle. Jordan, what do you want? Hold on, call Jordan. Jordan, what do you want from White Castle? I'm getting 20 double cheeseburgers. What do you want? You don't want anything? What do you mean? What do you mean? I like to eat with other people. What do you mean? I want to eat with you, Jordan. I don't eat 20 double cheeseburgers by myself. Fine. I'm getting it for myself. Bye. Move.
All right, Jabba. I told Jabba I don't want White Castle tonight, so we'll see what he says. I smell a fart. I didn't fart. It could be that. Hold on, man. No, but for the Bulls, man, let's get it close above the 200 EMA. If we close below it, not a big deal, but it's something that we can watch and something that we can fight for the close. All right, something we can fight for. That Lambo ain't making it out of the White Castle parking lot unscathed. That's so true, man. That's so true. Let's see. Holy shiza. You should fire off a few bicep curls on stream. No, we only do traps on stream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. All right, moving on. So right now, Bitcoin's still trying to hold the range, man. Holy, people are going nuts outside today. It is Sunday in New York. What can you expect? Oh no! Someone's committing a crime. All right, 27,065. So we're still waiting to see what happens ultimately here with Bitcoin. Like I said, man, the daily close is what it is. Right, we have this measure move target. We have the measure move target and the bigger bear flag. Right, we have this one which also meets up at literally the same point. Let me actually do this. Let me actually take this swing high to this swing low and show you guys the target for this one. If we actually extrapolate this down like this, right, this one actually has a target back down towards that $23,000 range as well. And we also have, if we look left, we also have a daily. We also have 2 daily vector candles back down here that Bitcoin never came back down and took in like the $21,000 to $22,000 range. So there's a lot of confluence, guys, back down here. Quite frankly, there's a lot of confluence back down here. That's why I still think we're coming back down there for multiple different reasons, man. But I'm trying to give you all the reasons. You guys take it for what you will. All right, you guys take it for what you will. You guys say in chat, how long before mining for crypto is legal in New York? I don't freaking know, man. I don't mind, so it doesn't matter to me. All right, let's see. New York is like the most anti-crypto state, which is surprising because usually, like New York's all about being different, and I guess crypto's about being different too. So I'm very, very surprised at that fact. Actually, very, very surprised. Maybe. Oh, you know why? You know why it might be? Because New York usually has the. New York usually has these people. Hold up. Bitcoin mining is bad for the economy. It's bad for the economy. We have to ban it now. Ban crypto mining. Ban crypto mining. Ban crypto mining. Ban crypto mining. We must ban it. Yes, we must ban it. Let's keep all the millions of bars open, but let's ban crypto mining. Yes, let's do it. Let's overcrowd the streets with cars where there's no parking spots. Yes, but let's ban crypto mining. Oh man, they literally, man. Literally, man. People are so hypocritical nowadays, man. Let's ban crypto mining, but let's. I stand to. I stand my point. You guys get it. All right, so that's that. New York has Wall Street. That's facts. That's actually a good point, Mr. Miles. Gotta even think about that, man. Technology is bad for the environment too. everything's bad for the environment, but it's they only care about what's important to them. Okay, everything you can think of is bad for the environment. Nothing that humans do is good for the environment. The Earth would be better without humans, but yet humans are here. All right, if humans are bad for the environment, should we just kill all humans? Should we just kill all humans because humans make the environment worse?
Rant alert.
Just saying, man. That's actually facts when you think about it deeply. All right, so let's see here. Monthly time frame. All right, look at this on the monthly time frame, guys. I know the monthly looks like absolute shit. Okay, the monthly looks like shit. Okay, literally like shit. There is literally no volume on the monthly time frame. There is literally no volume for Bitcoin. The only volume I see is sell volume. Not one idiot, not one institution is buying Bitcoin right now. Not one. Not one. When's the last time Sailor bought? When's the last time El Salvador bought? When's the last time Tesla bought? Now recently, there is no volume on Bitcoin. The monthly time frame looks like Shiza, all right? But if we look at it, right? If we look at it, ban human mining. That's true. The price action looks like shit. Let's be honest. I mean, if we're going to keep it real, we're going to keep it 100, as they say nowadays. Let's keep it 100. The monthly time frame looks like shit. But here's what I'll say, man. We are sitting right on top of the 50 EMA on the monthly. Why do I care about the 50 EMA? Well, here's what I'll say, man. Out of the 3 times we dropped below the 50 EMA, 3 of them had just been wicks. Okay, twice back here we had 2015, and then 2020 we had a wick. The only other time was 2018, where we only went slightly below the 20 month moving average. Right, we went about on a wick, we went about 20%, but we really just went like 15% for 2 months. Right, so. Here's my thinking, guys, and this is what I'm thinking. I think we're going to get that move to the 200-week moving average within the next 30 days, okay? I know that's kind of broad, but I'm not here to make absolute freaking poo-poo-poo-poos, right? And this is kind of my reasoning for that is I think it's just going to be a wick, man. I think it's going to be a wick. Could you wick below the 200? Yes, but I think it's going to be a wick to the low 20Ks. Okay, but I think we'll bounce back up and end up closing back above the 20 moving average at the end of this month. The other reason for that is if you look at the monthly, as I said, the monthly RSI is literally at the lowest it's been, pretty much the lowest it's ever been, man. 2015, 2018, we're sitting right there. Now, I know it's unprecedented times. I get it. Rate hikes, war. You guys know the whole deal. I get it. It's different times. But all we have to look at is previous price action, and quite frankly, this has kind of been my plan the whole time, is to buy near the 200-week moving average and buy when Bitcoin's below the 50 exponential moving average on the monthly. So I'll continue to stick to that plan. We're almost there. That's sitting at 26,102. All right, it's gonna be exciting, man. It's gonna be exciting. I really hope. I know this sounds like evil and dubious. And very dubious, okay? I know this sounds very dubious, but I really hope, for our sakes, I hope that the drop ends up being, like, just a quick freaking drop, man. Like, give me that capitulation that just sucks the life out of you. Or, I guess, wouldn't really suck the life out of me, but sucks the life out of the general retail plebs. I want the life to be sucked out of the soul of every retail pleb, okay? Just suck the life out of them. Drop alts 50%. Drop Bitcoin 30-40%. Just suck the damn life out of every altcoin and Bitcoin. Okay? Where only the true remain. That's what I'm hoping for. Maybe that's too much to be hoping for, but I hope so. That's what I'm hoping for at this point, but it is what it is. Yes. 22K. If not, it's 18K. Yeah. Honestly, guys, if I have to eat the sock, I have to eat the sock. But I don't. I still think it's going below 20K, man. I still think it's going below 20K. We already had that in December. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Cyan said, "Dude, that's mean." I'm just being honest. Not going to be like that with the factors that are bringing the global economy down. True. It's certainly not saying. Very pessimistic, bro. You guys are funny, man. I've been positive this whole stream. I've been telling you guys, the market's gonna dump, but these are the best times in crypto, man. You don't think about it now, but these are the best times in cryptocurrency. And quite honestly, if you haven't been pessimistic, if you haven't been bearish for the last 6 months, you've been on the wrong side, right? So I think it's okay to be bearish. No, I think it's okay to be bearish. No, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Kill all the shit coins? Yeah, kill all the shit coins. I'll be cool with that. You are missing something on the chart? What am I missing, man? What am I missing? What am I missing? If you've been bearish the last 6 months, you've been right. You know, quite frankly, I know people don't like to hear that, but it's been the side of the it's been the right side to be on, right? I told you guys, I'm not being a moon boy anymore. I'm being realistic. I am no longer being a moon boy, little idiot that every time Bitcoin pumps, like we're going up to the freaking moon. No, we're not doing that here. We're not doing that here. We ain't being no. If you go watch Crypto Rover, go watch that Martini guy. If you want to be a little moon boy, we ain't doing that anymore, man. We're too smart for that now. We're too smart for that. But here's the thing, man. Bitcoin's below 30K, so I'll continue to accumulate. We're back at the 200 week exponential moving average. I bought some crypto today. I hope you guys bought some crypto today for long-term holds, and I'll continue as long as we keep being in between these two moving averages to continue to accumulate. Okay, to continue to accumulate crypto, just like I always have, man. Just like I always have. And at some point, the market will go back up, and everyone who did will be very, very freaking happy. You know what I'm saying? All I know is that Bitcoin booms, I did my buy. Do you live in a cop station? Do you live in a cop station? I guess. All right, hold on. Hold on, man. 1 second, man. 1 freaking second. This is what everyone looks like in the chat today. Oh my God, Jordan is so pessimistic. He is so pessimistic today. Oh my God, he's bearish. Jordan, tell us price gonna go up. Tell us price is gonna go up, or I'm gonna speak to your manager right now. Tell us that Bitcoin's building a strong base. Tell us that the fear and greed index is clumped up. Tell us that TechDev has a fractal to 200K. Tell us right now. You are being ultra pessimistic. Come on, guys. Lighten up a little bit. It's okay. Because guess what? You can make money in the market both ways. All right? You can make money in the market both ways. It's all about learning. It's all about learning. All right. Bitcoin's still just chilling. Still the case for the bull guys short term is a move to the downside, move to the upside, move to the downside. You're looking for that, for the bulls, you're looking for that move back up to the upside. You know what I'm saying? Once Bitcoin hits a bottom, how long can it stay there? Can anyone help? Oh, Bitcoin can stay at the bottom for a long time, man. If you go back to like 2018, or really any time, like go back to, say, last year, right? Bitcoin, I mean, we call this relatively the bottom here. Bitcoin was chilling down here for about 2 months. About 2 months, man. If we go back over here, let's see. If you go back down here, right? I mean, obviously, guys, don't count March of 2020 as a bottom, man. This was a completely different circumstance. If we go back over here, right, in 2018, I mean, you kind of, if you want to say you hit the bottom here, you kind of just chilled for, you know, another 3 months, right? Go back to the 2014 bear market. I think it was like, what, 6 months at the bottom, if I remember correctly. So you can stay there for a significant period of time. You know what I mean? So it's not like you're going to, I think people sometimes like think like if someone says the bottom is in, you're going to go straight to the moon. Not necessarily, right? You can stay there for a significant period of time. So don't be thinking if someone says, or I think that the bottom is the 200-week moving average, that we're going to be in a new bull market right away. No, you can stay there for a significant period of time. You know what I'm saying? 2 months, woohoo, extra time to buy. If we go back to 1929, then we can see the patterns. Facts, Clint. Facts, man. Fear and greed is like futures. The fear and greed index. Oh, Lord. Nice. Like, smash, watching ratio. Thanks for hanging out, Mike. Good to see you, man. Thanks for hanging out. Crypto Rover is the biggest clown moon boy on YouTube. No, man, he's just bullish. There's nothing wrong with being bullish. There's nothing wrong with being bullish, man. You know, there's nothing wrong with being bullish. Everyone's got an opinion. It is what it is. You know, we're all clowns at the end of the day. I'm a clown. You're a clown. Everyone's a clown. Everyone's just a clown in their own way, right? Some people will try to sound smarter, but they're really a clown. Everyone's a clown. Let's be honest. No V-shaped recovery. No, Bitcoin never has V-shaped recoveries, man. The only time it's ever had a V-shaped recovery is literally in March of 2020. That's the only time, right? I think sometimes it's like, you know, we hear the bottom is in and we're like this, right? We're like this.
Well, Jordan, you want to go to a restaurant? You just said the bottom is in. Let's celebrate the next bull market. The bull market's starting? Oh my god. Jordan said the bottom is in. That means Bitcoin 200K. Bitcoin, the 200K. Yes, we're going to 200K in 6 months. The bottom is in. Yes, the bottom is. Jordan thinks the bottom is in. Bitcoin, bottom is in. Jordan said the bottom is in. Yes, bull market. Yes.
And then what'll happen is, you know, what'll normally happen is this, right? Say we got this circumstance, right? So the weekly comes down. Let's say we do something like this, right? Let's say we come back down to the 200 week, right? What'll happen is we'll bounce back up, right? And then Horse Guy will be like this.
Yes! Oh my god! Yes! This is not manipulation. This is the institutions buying. The institutions are buying. Yes!
Pump it. Dump it.
What? Now this is manipulation. This is literally manipulation. No, I'm selling my whole portfolio. No, it's going to 10K.
Pump it.
What? Bull market starts.
That's literally this pattern right here, guys. The W formation is literally meant to just fool out every single noob investor, every single noob trader. This pattern right here is to fake you out. And every single Bitcoin bottom has always started with a W reversal. Even the March of 2020 low was a W reversal. It's never just going to bounce up and go to the moon, okay? It's always going to make some type of double bottom. Whether you come down and make a higher low, you can do that. But it's always going to make a W reversal. So even if we do bounce like up here, don't be getting faked out. Bitcoin never just does this. It never just dumps and then comes up like this. It never does that. It never does. Go back in the charts. Find me a major run that didn't start with a W reversal. Come on. Go farm me. Go find me one, man. Go find me one. So just be prepared because that's how everything starts, man. It's literally meant to fake you out. Just like the tops, right? You usually see the M formations at the tops. Right, if you go back to say up here, in November, in this formation's meant to fake you out at the tops, right? It's like, oh, it's coming up, woohoo, 100K. All right, we're just pulling back. All right, another run to the upside, woohoo. And then it pulls you right back, right? And it gets you to, one, just think that it's just a dip. It gets you to FOMO in even more liquidity at the top. That's what the yellow vector candle is. That's retail FOMOing in like idiots. And then we come back down to the downside, right? That's pretty much, it's the same thing at the top and bottom, man. So that's what I'll say. Just be careful any type of bottom, man. That's all I'll say, man. Better off buying beans and socks? True. The Bull Diva is 27K a coin. Don't be mad at the world that you miss out. Stay naive. Who's getting pissed in the chat today? Ah, man, these are my favorite times, man, because people get salty in the chat. I love it. I love it. People get so salty in the chat. Because they have probably invested more money they can afford to lose. Listen, you guys know me. I'm not going to sugarcoat stuff. The number one rule in crypto is only invest money you can afford to lose. If the market coming down like this is going to put you in a salty and bashing mood and bashing other people, you invested too much money in the market, man. That's all I'll say. So, listen, don't be coming on here and getting salty at, awesome people in the chat. The people in the chat are freaking awesome, man. Don't be getting salty at them. Don't be getting salty at the mods in the chat. All right. Don't be getting salty at all my awesome viewers in the chat. All right. You can be salty at me. Coming at me and be salty, man. But, it is what it is. I've seen a lot of saltiness in the chat today. It has done that before so many times. It's 500 of those on the 15 minute. Clint, man. Clint. Let's see. If only I invested money I could afford to lose, I would never get rich off crypto. No risk, no reward. I somewhat agree, Wayne. You can invest money you can afford to lose and still make a lot of money. Salt has nothing on vinegar. No salt. Neo said, sup, Jordan, link short, doing good. I closed that a long time ago, man. But it worked out pretty well, yeah. Worked out pretty well. Emotions running wild. The emotions are crazy right now. Be salty at these nuts. Salty is a sign of weakness. I tend to agree. I'll just sit here and drink my coffee and hang out. We're just hanging out, guys. It is what it is. Like, we're all in the same situation together, right? We're all crypto holders at the end of the day. At the end of the day, what it comes down to right now, you can't change anything that already happened, right? So if you're still holding crypto, let's have a blank. What you got to do if you're still holding your crypto right now, guys, you got to just start with a blank slate. You can't change stuff that already happened. You can't go back in the past, okay? So you can't dwell on things that already happened. Start fresh right now, all right? Start fresh. We're at 26,979. Plan your next move. You can't go back and bring Bitcoin back up to 69K. You can't bring it back to 50K. You can't bring it back to 40K. Start right now, right? Make a plan right now. What is your plan from this point moving forward? Stop dwelling on the past that you lost all this freaking money. You can't change it now. So make a plan and stick to it going forward, okay? Right? So make a plan and stick to it going forward. There's no point in being salty. You can't change the past, man. You can't change the past. Mike said, Jordan, you in no trades? I'm shorting an S coin right now. I'm shorting this thing right here. I'll show you. It's not. I would say it's an S coin. It's just it's the utility token for Steppen, and I'm shorting it because it was way it was way overvalued to start with, and quite frankly, people are funding the project. This project's going to be successful in the future, but right now it's a perfect time. So this is not the actual token of the project. This is the utility token you use in the app. So very random, yes, but that's the only trade I'm in right now. Right now I'm closed out, man. I'm closed out. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin right now. But I did do multiple trades today. I did a Bitcoin short today. And I was 1 for 2 of my trades. I won on a long, actually no, I won on a long today and I lost on a short today. I think I lost on a short, as Bitcoin's dropping right now. I caught this pump right here. I was actually deep in the red. Bitcoin was dropping right here. I held on to it and it bounced back up. So that was pretty nice. And then the short that I lost was, I forget what it was, man. I forgot what it was, but I lost in another short. So I think I was 1 for 2 today in the trades. But that's about it, man. That's about it. Calm yourself, Clint. Technically, it's a shit coin. True, Bathwater. True. That's very true. Tanking. Drop it like it's hot. All right, here we go. Dropping back to the downside, boys. Let's get it. Clint is peppery today. I love it, man. There's no reason to be salty today, guys. We're all in the same thing together. I think some people sometimes forget that. It's like, everyone in the chat is probably holding some crypto. All right, so there's no reason to get salty at each other. You know what I'm saying? Let's stay positive. These are good times, man. I'll continue to say it. I know everyone's panicking because their portfolio is getting absolutely crushed. Right? All coins are probably getting crushed. These are the times you want to be paying attention to the market. I'll continue to say it, man. No more BS. No more BS. These are the times you want to pay attention to the market. I'm serious. Right? We had the capitulation flash on the hash ribbons. That you're usually going to see a pretty big drop after you get this flash. I'll continue to say it, man. I still think that this drop is going to continue. I don't think this drop is done. But Just be ready for it, man. I'm telling you. Just be ready for it. Do not miss out on it. All right? Do not miss out on it. Here we go. 26,658. Here we go. All right. The W pattern neglected for BTC. Let's see. We gotta wait for the close, but wait for the 15-minute close. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-boom.
One love heart.
What's going on, Seon? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, bro. What else you guys say in the chat? Auntie said the Bank of Canada was right. Man, it kind of hurts that I'm dumber than this guy.
Basically,
Kinda
Bitcoin
hurts.
is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency
It is what it is.
clearly an idiot with no common sense.
I'm really dumber
And
than him.
scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
You're verbally salting me. What am I doing? Like rubbing salt on you or something? Know what I mean? Price action again, but a good weekend for you, Jordan? Yeah. Saturday morning was awesome, man. Saturday morning was an awesome, fun stream. Even though Bitcoin was dumping, it was an awesome, fun stream, man. We had bots come in and like up the stream. I hope you guys didn't do that again, man. If you ever see more likes than viewers, it's probably a bot. I did not do that. It's myself. I don't know who did that on Saturday, but please don't do that again. Please don't do that again, man. But yeah, Saturday was an awesome stream. Getting some good price action here too. I'll take it. I'll take it. Remember, it was like months of us getting no price action, so it's actually pretty awesome. Jim said, "Hey Jordan, can you take a look at Hex chart and tell me if you think my 1 set limit order will hit?" Sure, man. We can take a look at that. We can take a look at that. Hex. Let's take a look at Hex. Let's see. Hex. Your 1 cent limit order. All the way down here. Oh Lord, you got a long way to go, man. That's a long drop. I have no. I can't tell you if it's gonna go this slow, man. That's like a freaking 72% drop. All I'll say is, if Bitcoin has the typical capitulation that we typically see before a bull market start, I don't think, I'm going to be honest, man. I know this sounds like I'm a freaking huge bear. I don't see that being terribly out of the realm of possibility. All right? I know that sounds absolutely crazy now, but I mean, guys, a couple months ago, people would have said that a 3 cent hex was crazy, right? So nothing's crazy. I think that's in the realm of possibility. I'm not going to make a call and say it's going to go down there. I have no freaking clue. But it seems far away, but that can come very, very fast. That can come very, very fast, depending on what Bitcoin does. You know what I'm saying? Crypto is dead. A lot of viewers tonight. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's dumping, man. I mean, that's the way the cookie crumbles, man. Everyone's scared. Everyone's panicking in the chat.
No! Shit! The Fear and Greed Index! Oh my god! The Fear and Greed Index is at a 3!
Bet $50 on something.
Shit!
You on BTC now. You and I send a super
My
chat.
god! No!
Loss appropriate.
Sheba! Sheba! Mom! I need meatloaf now! I need meatloaf! I need it! What do you mean? The grocery store's out? Oh my god.
There we go. I'm going to start going nuts now. But yeah, man. People are going nuts. That's usually what happens during these times. People go nuts. Guys, what do you think the Fear and Greed X is going to be at today? Oh, Clint wants to do a bet. I love when Clint wants to do bets. Clint said, let's bet $50. I win, you long Bitcoin right now. Clint, I don't want a long Bitcoin right now. I really don't want a long Bitcoin. I know it's... Listen, I'm not in any trades for a reason at the moment. I do not trust any Bitcoin move at the moment. I do not want a long Bitcoin. I really, really don't, man. You win. I send you a super chat. Set your stop loss appropriately. Oh, I definitely would right now, man. Check out hash ribbons. Yeah, Bathwater, I think you missed the beginning of the stream, man. We talked about hash ribbons in the beginning, man.
You short F
We got the capitulation on the hash ribbons. That's why I think the capitulation's coming. Every single time we've got a capitulation on the hash ribbons, we've seen a capitulation. The only time we didn't was we actually saw a pretty big dump there. The only time we didn't is when we were already in an uptrend. But when we've seen the hash ribbon capitulation during a bear market, that's resulted in big dumps, man. We're talking right here, right before the 2018 crash, bop. Right before the right during the March of 2020 crash, and then you had this yellow one, bop, all the way back down to 4,400. You can go back in the past. I mean, during the bear markets, that usually results in a pretty big dump, man. So, it is what it is. 1K likes? Oh, God, man. Stop doing that to the likes. Whoever's doing that, man, please. I appreciate you. I don't know if you guys are actually hitting the like button that much. I doubt it. Because I can see by the chat people are salty. But I appreciate if you guys are doing that. I seriously. Whoever's, doing that shit with the likes, man, don't do that, man. Please. I'd rather it be legit. Miller said bullier. Yeah, pretty much. I think everyone's bullier. Pariah with the $5 super chat. And then Cyan said one love. Thank you, Pariah. Thank you, Cyan. Clint, let's do a bet. Let's do a bet, Clint. Let's do a bet right now. Let's do this, Clint. Let's do this. Let's do a bet. Clint. 10-minute close. I'm not confident in this bet, man. All right, Clint. How do we do a good bet right now? All right, let's do this, Clint. At 8:10. So we'll give it 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm trying to find a good spot here. So we're at 26,822. It's tough. It's tough to do. All right, give me 2 seconds, Clint. We'll jump back into this. All right, we'll jump back into into this. The market is absolutely fanny. Let me, Clint. My vector candle is twice the size. Twice the size of Jordan's. I hope so. Mine's like 1 inch. I hope so. So that means, Clint. That means your vector candle is 2 inches. I don't know, man. That's not much of a compliment for you to say it's twice the size of mine, man. Come on. Elon is selling. Oh, Lord. Elon is selling. 666 subscribers. Yeah, I actually said that to Maya the other day. We have 6. It was 66666. Just the other day. Is that a coincidence? I don't know. We'll find out. That can mean one of two things. All right, let's see. So 26,833. I see volume. 810, below 26K. Let's see. Clint got destroyed. DXY is mooning. Yeah, dude, the DXY is going nuts. 104.47. DXY is coming up to the highs. The case for the bulls is we come up here and we get rejected at the previous high. We come back down, M formation. Back to the downside. We come up here, break the highs. Got it, bing. We're gone. We're gone, man. We're literally gone. All right. You should have longed. I should have longed. I ain't trying to long right now, man. I know we're at, typically, I know we're in the 4-hour time frame. Man, no, I'm not trying to long right now. I don't, even if we're at support, I don't trust Bitcoin to hold it at the moment, man. I personally, for Bitcoin at the moment, I'm only looking for shorts unless I see a really good opportunity. Okay, I put a long position in here earlier. It almost screwed me because Bitcoin dumped, and I was just about to close my position because the Bitcoin looks like it was gonna freaking pounce to the downside. I held it open and it luckily bounced. That was really lucky though. I'm only looking for Bitcoin shorts. I'm not doing that again. Only shorts on Bitcoin at the moment, man. Except spot. Obviously doing my spot DCAs, but any leverage longs, nope. We ain't touching that right now.
Nope.
We ain't touching that. Got liquidated. Nice. Nice. All right, let's go look at ETH real quick. Let's look at ETH. Clint, 8 o'clock we'll do the bet, all right? We're wait for the daily close. Some alts are holding up better than BTC. Yeah, I know the Bitcoin dominance was actually going up today, which is slightly weird, especially during these times. Guys, Ethereum. Can we look at Ethereum? Ethereum broke below its previous all-time high, man.
Dump it.
Okay, Ethereum broke below its previous all-time high. That's not good. That ain't good at the moment. Let's see if we get that daily close below it, but that is not good, man. If we actually zoom out, say to the weekly time frame, look where ETH is, sitting right below that previous all-time high wick. That is absolutely nut burgers. That is some nut burgers. We got 7 minutes into the close. Looks like ETH is probably going to close below there. If we got any chance, we need the bulls to come out now. Ethereum bulls, for all you that are left, there is probably 3 of you left. We must fight back. Now, I know, Ethereum is not perfect. The gas fees suck. It is slow. Okay? No one likes it. But we must fight for our brethren. If we get a weekly close below the previous all-time high, we will have to claw our way back to victory. So spam the swords. Spam the shields in the chat. If we close below this level, we are fucked. We are absolutely fucked. You know what? We're fucked. We're fucked anyways. We're fucked. I'm out of this. I'm done being a friggin' Viking. Screw this. I'm going to join the Bears. Screw this, man. I'm going to join the Bears. But, Viking! I can't fight by myself. BitBoy already left me. BitBoy already left me. No. Viking, come back. No. No. Here comes Java. Shit. Shit. Come here, you stupid TJ. Come here, TJ.
Crazy months ago, but 10k BTC and 500 as possible.
All right. 1441. ETH is breaking below previous all-time high. So let's see what happens here in the weekly close. But that's not that ain't too shabby. That ain't too shabby there, man. Earmuffs skits. You sound like XRP. What the heck? I keep seeing 666 on percents. Yeah, man. It ain't too good. That's not a good sign. Though 6 is a lucky number. So you could take it 2 ways. You could take it 2 ways. All right, here we go. So 26,720. What's going to happen here, guys? Bitcoin coming down. We got 5 minutes into the weekly close. Let's see what happens. Creative Yeet said clown. Facts, man. You're just mad you ain't a clown, man. Rather be in cloud than be boring. You know what I'm saying? All right, 26,738. I'll tell you this right now. People probably rather hang out with me than you. All right? That's all I'll say. All right? Keep it classy, man. Keep it classy. 26,718. All right, so what else we got? Vitalik is clapping. I don't think Vitalik's clapping right now, man. But hey, you can play a little Vitalik clapping. Let's keep it classy, man. Get the buy orders ready. Get the buy orders ready.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is the best.
Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
That never gets old, man. I love when Vitalik dances. And the guy Vitalik is the best. He's just like, do the shoulder lean, shoulder lean. The guy behind Vitalik is awesome. He's the best. He's the best. You guys want to see guys, we got to keep it classy here. We got to keep it classy today. All right? Want to see Vitalik pick his nose while Bitcoin dumps? I think that's what we want to see. Let's brighten it up in here. Let's brighten it up. Everyone's salty in the chat. Let's watch Vitalik pick his nose and put it on the wall. Here he goes. Here he goes. He's getting deep and dirty in there. There he goes. He's rubbing it. I love how he rubs it like this. Like he's got to measure how big it is to find a spot on the wall. There he is. He's going deep. He's rubbing it again. He's about to put it on the wall. He picked up another one. He puts it on the wall, picks up another one, and then puts it back on the wall. What the hell is wrong with that guy? What the hell is wrong with that guy? All right, Bitcoin coming down, man. Bitcoin coming down. Here we go, here we go, here we go. What's Bitcoin going to do here, guys? What's Bitcoin going to do? I mean, to be quite frank, guys, there's nothing looking left. We got a wick looking left. There ain't Shiza looking left, man. We got a wick looking left. So we are really just watching the Bitcoin to see what is going down on this Sunday night. But we are dumping, man. Here we go. Glad we got that green weekly candle. Could have been ugly. Could have been really ugly. 26,673. Let's see what's going on here, guys. Let's see what's going on here. We're really just a wait and see area. Boom, ba da boom, ba da boom. It's gonna wick down. We'll find out. 2 minutes into the close.
Ugly. Open mouth smile.
Glad we got that green weekly. Yeah, man. Hey, everyone thought we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. We're going to the freaking moon. So far, everything's playing out pretty well. For a clown, everything's playing out pretty well here. Pretty freaking well. We're actually right at the wick, guys. Look where we're sitting right now. Now, this is on the Binance chart. Right on Binance, we're sitting right at the bottom of that wick. It's very, very interesting. Is this going to retake the wick and come back up? Or is this going to dump straight through it and just say, screw you, I'm dumping straight down? Let's see. Let's see, man. Ethereum's holding up better than Bitcoin, but Ethereum probably going to get the weekly close below the previous all-time high. Interesting shit. Interesting shit, man. Wrecked incoming. Wrecked incoming. What's your definition of wrecked? You know what I mean? Depends what your definition of wrecked is. You know what I'm saying? Because I see opportunities here. I see opportunities. Some people look at this as wrecked and panic and be like, holy shit, the market is dumping. Right? The horse guy's going nuts right now.
What? No! No! George! George, I will find you! George, I will find you! This is ridiculous! George told me a base was being built at 30K! Where is the base? Where is the fortress? I do not see any fortress, any castle. Where is the base? This is ridiculous, George! George! George lied to me! He lied to all of us! He said the base was built! George, I need an explanation!
Manipulation, bro. Manipulation.
Oh, okay! That means the price is gonna go back up. Let me put it in long position. Thank you, George. That's all I needed. Manipulation. Thank you so much. That explains everything.
Yeah, don't worry about it, man. Fear and greed is clumped up. Fear and greed is clumped up. We're going to go back to the upside.
Thank you, George. Thank you for the great TA.
All right. 26,636. Let's continue to watch here. Let me take a sip of my jug, man. Let me take a sip of my jug. 26,655. Let's see what's going down here. All right, we're bouncing back up to the upside. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Will Bitcoin bounce back to the upside? We got the daily close right here. So we actually got the daily close below the previous wick. Are we going to bounce right back up to the upside, man? Right? Right back up to the upside. Let it. What price will I go all in? I will go all in. I will never go all in. I always keep cash on the sidelines, man. But right here, I will go all. It's a definition of all in. My biggest buy order will be above the 200-week SMA. I'm not going to wait for it. Okay, slightly above it. Now we just got that weekly close. The weekly close below the 200 EMA, man. The 200 EMA. So let's watch this. It's the first time we closed below the 200 EMA. Let's go look, man. Let's go look. This is the first time Bitcoin has closed below the 200-week EMA since the March of 2020 crash. We are witnessing history. The time before that we dropped below it was November of 2018. Here's what I'll say, guys. Keep your eye on the prize. In 2018, we stayed in between the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA for 3 months. That was your time to accumulate. Over here in March of 2020, you saw a massive dip below, but guess what? You only stayed below there for 1 week. Doesn't mean you can't keep going below it, guys. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to just ignore that we're in completely different times, and the economy is a lot different. I mean, everything's different, man. Everything's different than it was in 2020 and really 2018. So take that for what you will. So we dropped it below there, and then also back in way back in 2014, it was the same situation, man. You dropped to that 200 EMA and the 200 SMA. You stayed above both of those on closes. You had wicks below, right? Wick below, but you stayed above them. So just make sure you're keeping your eye on the prize, man. If really, I mean, it's all we got. It's all we got, man. I mean, anything below that, you're kind of entering uncharted territory. So I'm gonna take the previous, the previous things into consideration, and we're gonna go from there. But man, 26,532. That is the lowest we've. First time we closed below that since March of 2020. 26,500. Pump or dump? Oh, 3 months? Let's see. Shanghai Composite pre-market up 142. All right, 26.5, man. We're just going to chill here and watch because honestly, guys, like I said, looking left, we just got a wick. That's really it. I mean, you could look more left, but I mean, we've been talking about this wick being closed, man. We were waiting for this. If you've been on this channel, this shouldn't be a shock to you. We've been talking about this for months, okay? This should not be a shock. It should not be a shock. We've been talking about this forever. I've been telling you guys for a long time, have a plan, okay? Whether we pump to the upside or downside, I've been telling you guys what I see. It should not be This should not be shocking if you've been watching my channel, at least since we've been like in the 30K range, all right? We've been talking about this as a possibility. So you guys have a plan? What's your plan? Or are you making your plan now while you're in fear? Because that's not the best time to make a plan when you're in fear. 26,500. Everyone's running around. What should I do? What should I do? The people who already had a plan, they're good to go. They're good to go. All right, so 26,542. We're continuing down, man. I might have to buy some on stream here, man, because I'm feeling a little nice. I'm feeling nice here, man. I might have to buy something on stream. Let me look at the Fear and Greed Index. There's no way it's going to be higher than it's going to be higher than a 10. There's zero way. Let me refresh the Fear and Greed. 11 on the Fear and Greed. There's no way, man. That makes no sense. The Fear and Greed Index is so dumb. It is literally so freaking dumb. It's the dumbest indicator ever. This should be at like a 3, based on what I'm seeing in the chat. But yeah, we're at a 11, which makes no sense. It should be lower than that. That's completely dumb. So dumb. That's the dumbest indicator in the world, man. I never look at the Fear and Greed Index and take anything from that. 26,449. We dumping, man. It's over.
Everybody panic, we're going to 0. Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Bitcoin is bearish.
How are those socks? Guys, we're so far away from 20K. We got a long way to go. Don't be coming at me with the socks. Drew said, my plan is to DCA when all the nubs are panicking and selling at a loss. Facts, Drew. I might actually buy some right now, man. Doesn't mean you guys should. You guys stick to your plan. I told you guys what my plan is. I'm buying between the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA. That's where we're sitting right now. I'm feeling a little nice right now. I'm feeling a little nice. Let's see what happens here. This indicator goes to 11. We getting that 25.5 wick. Let's see. It's his best. I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue. I don't think Horse Guy did, but I think Bob did. Is this what we do in bear markets? We sniff glue? Thank you, Horse Guy. I need something to do with her these times. You're welcome. Why do you think I'm so smart, Bob? Thank you for hanging out with me. Jordan doesn't want to hang out with me anymore. Because I'm so weird. Wow, this shit's awesome. Bob and Horse Guy are going nuts right now. 26,660. We still chilling and watching, man. We still chilling and watching. I'm buying some right now, man. I'm buying some right now. I can't sit. That's the only problem with streaming sometimes. Like I'm streaming, so like I have to. I'm buying some right now, man. I'm buying some right freaking now on my phone. If we dump further, I don't care. I don't care. Let's see. Let's buy some BTC. Let's see, man. Buy. Okay, there we go. All right. There we go. I'm buying some BTC right now, man. I'm FOMOing right now. Okay? Okay, there we go, man. All right. Cool. So now if it goes down, you guys can laugh at me. You guys can laugh at me all you want, man. You can laugh at me all you want. All right? Doesn't mean follow. Guys, don't follow what I do. Okay? Do what you want to do, man. I'm just doing me. I'm just doing me. There we go. Jordan just bought dump it. Yeah, you know what's gonna happen, man. You know what's gonna happen. Like this. Wait, did I just get confirmation that Jordan just bought on his stream? Did Jordan just bought? Yes, exactly. Okay, you know what to do. Jordan is a clown, so you know what to do. We must show the rest of his viewers that he's a clown. You know what to do.
Dump it.
Yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen here. It doesn't matter. I'm going all in. Oh, fumbles. Don't go all in, man. I don't think the bottom's in. Okay. Drew said I DCA'd this weekend. It's down. So what? I'll be laughing next halving. Exactly, man. Doesn't matter. Jordan's trade made it pump. I've been buying all weekend. I don't give a rat's. Facts, man. Facts. All right, what's ETH doing? ETH 1441. So we chilling. Oh, shit, Clint, I got to do a bet with you, man. All right, Clint, let's do a bet. So Bitcoin's at 20. Let's just call it 26.7. All right, Clint, let's make a bet. Let's make a bet, Clint. Shit. Do you think it's gonna be higher? No, this is a stupid bet, man. Because you're gonna pick a stupid bet here. Shit, man. All right, Clint, let's do this. 26.7. You say it's higher than 26.8? No. Clint, just give me a bet in the chat, man. This is too hard for me. Give me a bet and give me give me something in the chat. I can't do this live. Just give me something, man. I don't care what it is. I'll take the bet. All right, what else you guys saying in the chat? Glad we got that green weekly. Could have been ugly. Facts, Brian. Ryan Watt coming in with the super chat. What's going on, man? Crazy months ago, but 10K BTC and 500 ETH possible. We'll see, man. We'll see. Hey, no one knows where the bottom's going to be. It's all just a guess at the end of the day. No one really knows, right? No one really knows. You should do short FLM. Ah, man. I mean, short anything right now, you're making money, man. It's like a bull market. You long anything, you make money. You short anything right now, you make money. That's why I'm upset with myself. And guys, I'll take the L on that one. I'm upset with myself with dissing traders because you really can make money both ways in the market, man. You can't be pigeonholing yourself to making money one way in a market, man. During a crypto bear market, it's literally like you inverse the chart and pretend it's a bull market. It's really it. People like to hate on it, but I used to hate on it myself. But in reality, you just flip the chart. All right, it's an inverse bull market. There we go. During a bull market, you're long. During a bear market, you're short. I mean, I wish I would have realized it sooner. It is what it is. I'll take the L on that one, but I'm damn glad I realize it now. Oh wait, Clint, did you give me something, man? Let's see. I'll bet $50 you eat a sock. Drew, don't put that on me, man. Don't put that on me. Oh, man. Let's see. I just followed you, man. Thanks, you Sip. Yes, Sip. But shorting is not easy because exchange charge you depending on the time you're in a short. I mean, you can say the same thing about a long. You know what I'm saying? Jordan said he has a plan, but he FOMO in like a horse. No, man. FOMOing was when the price goes up and you FOMO in. I'm FOMOing to the downside. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, man. Let's see. Crazy months, but 10. Yeah, it is. TK said, Brother Jay, if you had a short going on BTC, where would you be taking profit? Man. We could take a look at the chart. But, so, I mean, right now, I mean, you had a vector candle to the downside. You just came back up and took this. You know, Bitcoin's just not showing any strength to the upside right now. Doesn't mean it can't come, right? Doesn't mean it can't come. But if you had a short on Bitcoin, man, I mean, I'm always the proponent of taking some profits. What I like to do is take profits and then move my, if I'm in profit, take like half it off the board, then move my stops into profit, right? That's what I like to do. Just because I like to, sometimes I like to let it ride, especially at times like this. I like to at least let some of it ride. But, I mean, I right now, Bitcoin could keep going, man. I will say, you know, in times like this, where Bitcoin's kind of in, say, price discovery to the downside, it really can keep going. But I would always recommend taking profits, man. Always pay yourself. Always pay yourself, as Tino would say. Pay yourself. Okay? Pay yourself. And then let some of it ride if you want to. That's what I'll say. Phil Pico is a noob. Who's that, man? I had 4x shorts. It's over. Welcome to Klaus Schwab's. Oh, Lord, man. Look at the chat. Child support or DCA? Tough decision. No, pick the, you know the right decision, man. Pay that child support. Who do you recommend to learn trading on YouTube? Tino, Trader's Reality. Anyone else you watch is going to waste your time. Patterns don't work. Okay? They're kind of memes. They're kind of memes, man. If I'm going to be honest. If you want to learn the psychology of a market, go check out Tino, man. I just joined his Patreon yesterday, actually. And I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff. It's very, very helpful. You got to learn like the psychology of the market before you actually can start trading, man. And he's definitely the guy. He's definitely the guy you should go touch. You should go teach, man. Touch. I said touch. Me and Tino are actually. Me and Tino are actually. Well, we might be planning on doing a little bit of a stream together, man. Keep you know, I'll keep you guys posted. But we're thinking about doing a stream. I might have him my channel, me and his channel. We'll see. We'll see. But he might be coming on here, which would be kind of fun, man. Which would be kind of fun. All right, so 26,560. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down again. We're just kind of watching Bitcoin right now, man. Jabba's getting laid right now. I think he is, man. Melissa, yeah, keep doing that. Keep doing that, Melissa. Yes. Keep doing that. Yeah, just right there. Right there, Melissa. Right there. I'm done. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Dan said Melissa taking it like a champ. Oh, Lord. Guys, it's going to have fun when the market's going down, man. I mean, you can't change what already happened, man. That's what I always say. You can't change what already happened. You should have already had a plan. You know, it is what it is at this point. This is disturbing. Of course it is, man. Of course it is. Let's see. Get the bet up with the poll. It's not hard. The bet? Oh, shit. Let me go back up, Drew. Drew. Clint. Clint, I'm trying to find what you said, man. We got vector candles to the south side of Chicago, to the east side. You're too funny, man. You're too funny. You're too much for me sometimes, dude. Clint, I can't find what you said, man. Oh, simple bet. Let's do a poll. You're afraid to have me on stream because I'm smarter than you. Let the stream decide. Clint, you know they're going to vote for that. All right. Let me do this, man. Let's see this. Let's see this. Why is Jordan afraid to have... All right, let me go back to the 15-minute chart while we watch this. Why is Jordan afraid to have Clint on stream? Let's do this. Clint is smarter, or Jordan is smarter. I already know what's gonna happen with this, but it is what it is. We're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna do it anyways, man. We're gonna do it anyways. What's Tino? Trader's Reality, man. Trader's Reality. Okay, that's the one you want to go follow. He's my guy. He's my guy. Let's see. Alts to 0. I'm sure alts are getting pounced. Let's go check out some alts. Like what's Solana doing? Let's see Solana. Let's see Solana, man. $30 on Solana. Get Solana on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a row on Solana. That's brutal. So Solana, $30. Crazy, man. Cardano, I'm sure came down as well. 49 cents on Cardino. Let's actually check Cardino on the daily. See how this, man. Oh, look at that M formation. Playing out awesomely. Well, I guess not awesomely for the Bulls, but right off the 50 EMA, right? First hit, pull back. Second hit, dump. That one was pretty easy. Right off the 50 EMA, 2 hits, bang it to the downside. Solana. But yeah, Cardano come back down to the lows there. At least back down to the bottom of this vector. I can see it come back down to this bottom of this vector candle here at about 48 cents. We kind of go from there. It's probably coming lower, man. It's probably coming lower, in my opinion. So we'll watch that. And that's Cardino. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? We had Cardino. Let's go BNB. Let's see. Binance Coin. Back down to the lows. 256. Binance Coin also coming back down to take this wick. As expected. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I mean, BNB is like sitting right on top of this wick over here, looking left. Still think BNB has more downside, but we'll watch that. We'll watch that. I still think it's going to come back down and take this wick. Ultimately, you know, back down to possibly 219. Still think it's going to come back down and take this wick on BNB. I'm just looking at everything on the daily. I mean, alts are alts, guys. They're going to follow BTC's movements, as we know. Still don't want to hold vet. How is the Bitcoin dominance still only 48%? That surprises me. Yeah, me too, man. That could mean one of two things. We have a long way to go. Like the Bitcoin dominance still being at 48% means we could have a long way to go, right? And altcoins can be getting wrecked, like beyond belief still. Or altcoins just aren't going to get as wrecked as everyone thinks, right? I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think in the chat? Guys, let's rig this poll. You know who's smarter. Vote on this poll for your boy, okay? Vote on this poll for your boy. You know who's smarter, okay? I appreciate you guys voting on the poll, though. Let's get an accurate poll. Vote on the poll for your boy, all right? Vote on the poll for your boy. All right, 26,752. BNB stronger than lots of alts. True. True. Hey, Jordan, are you still doing your everyday steps? I'm still doing the steps, man. I mean, guy, just remember what STEPN, the whole market's down. I mean, crypto's just getting destroyed in every angle, right? So that's not the same thing's happening to STEPN. So just be careful with that, man. Obviously, the prices are relatively low right now. So just like anything else, man, it's an investment. So if you're going to get in, just be prepared for the prices to go lower on your shoes and the prices of the earnings to go lower, right? It's like any investment that you get in. Don't think you're going to get into it. It's going to stay where it is now. Depends on what Bitcoin does, just like any other investment, you know? So we'll see what happens there. Let's see. To be honest, Clint probably looks like my professor. I trust Clint. Clint actually does look like a professor. If the photo that he showed me is true, Clint does look like a professor. This is what Clint kind of looks like. Let me see. Try to show you guys what Clint looks like here. Clint looks like this. Let's see. See if I can find someone here. This is what Clint kind of looks like. I think. Hold up. This is what Clint kind of looks like, but not as beautiful as me, right? Clint, it looks like this, but he has hair on the sides here. He looks like this, and he has hair on the sides, but he has a dick that's twice the size of mine. So he gets me there. But yeah, he has the side widow's peak right there. Okay. You read it white. Oh man, but yeah, that's kind of what he looks like. Cheers, homie. Thank you. What's going on, TK? Appreciate you, man. Ryan Watt coming in again. Appreciate the super chats, guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for hanging out and just hanging out and watching, man. Tether dominance coming up right to that peak right there. See if this holds this level, man. If this keeps going up, like I said, man, this could get very, very ugly for crypto. If this continues up and breaks this wick, this could get very, very ugly for crypto. So just keep that in mind, man. I'm just being honest. DXY 104.46. So we still chilling like a villain. Dude, just show the picture. All right. I'm changing my vote. No, you can't. Yeah, guys, vote on the poll. Vote on the poll. Get your votes in. Get your votes in the poll right now. We're gonna close the poll at the end of the stream. Get the votes in the poll right now. All right, seriously. It's 8:24, so we still chilling. Man, I was looking at this for total market cap. I was like, dude, earlier today when we were kind of chilling still above this support line right here, I was like, dude, could we make it the same pattern we did last summer? Guess what? That didn't work out. But yeah, that just crushed to the downside when we got the close below. So that didn't work out whatsoever. Before that, it was like coming back up. Looks like it could be a wick, just like it was over here, right? Yep, and we got the close. So yeah, there goes that idea. But yeah, man, it's crickets. Now we wait. Now we wait, my friends. Now we wait. All right, so 26,802. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin. Pump will continue. I want to be Jordan's campaign manager. Oh, Lord. When Bitcoin is dumping to low 20K support levels, you're going to long Bitcoin. Is this called schlong Bitcoin? Maybe, man. Maybe, baby. All right. What else we got? Guys, I apologize I didn't get the White Castle today. I feel bad because I know you guys are really looking forward to me eating White Castle on stream. I don't want to. I don't want to. And I feel bad, and I'm going to do it tomorrow. I honestly completely forgot. Like, usually, you know me, I'll make some excuses. Like, the train broke down, right? There was traffic, right? Jabba was wrestling with me. I usually make some excuse, but I have no excuse today. I forgot. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. All right, we're going to the moon? I hope so.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
I missed that. Remember we used to play that all the time? Holy moly, man. That feels like so long ago. Short guys go shorts. Eat 2 sliders now. You should feel bad? I should. Absolute scheisse. Respect. Do it. We don't have White Castle tomorrow. We'll have White Castle tomorrow. Maybe Monday. What I'll say about next week, guys, I know everyone's like super bearish right now. What I'll say about next week is we have gaps up on the S&P, right? We had made a gap here on Thursday after hours, right? So we have a gap up here on the S&P. We have a gap up here on the NASDAQ, right? So I don't know if it's going to be on Monday, but at some point, I expect this to, even if it dumps further, I expect it to come back up and fill this gap, or just come fill this gap up before it dumps further, because they usually always come back up and fill these gaps. So just be prepared for that. Like, yeah, I don't think everything's just going to dump straight down. I think if anything, you're going to get a slight move up to the upside before continuing back down. Or you can continue back down before you come back up. One of the two. But just be prepared for that. If there's any saving grace coming into next week, that's sort of it. That's sort of it, I guess. Everything else kind of looks like shit, you know? But this is what it is. That's enough dumpage. Fed is speaking this week, I think Tuesday. FOMC the 15th and the 16th. Yeah. So I mean, what would make sense for the market makers then, right? If they, I mean, I think that's going to tell us a lot. Like if we move up early this week, right? Just to retrace a little bit. If we move up early this week, all right, and then, you know, and then sort of. That could just be them setting up for bad news just to dump it down after the FOMC meeting. We get bad news, we dump on that, right? If they keep dumping it, right, we still have that gap up in the stock markets, maybe we get good news, and that pushes us back up. I think whatever we do early in the week is going to be the false move. I think whatever we see on Monday and Tuesday is going to be the false move, and then we're going to go the opposite direction. So I'm going to be watching. Very, very, very interesting. Very, very interesting in this. I honestly, like I said, I could see a move up just for them to bring it back down after a bad week. After a bad week, we know inflation was higher, right? Do they slap us with a 0.75 rate hike and then slap it right to the downside, right? Who knows? Who knows, man? I could see them getting people to long in just to dump it back down. You know, it's only been bad news this year. Facts. Facts. You know what I'm saying? That's too easy. It's what we're expecting. Who knows? Hold on. Let me take a sip of water. Man. Eat a hot dog and chill? I don't get any hot dogs. A hot dog sounds pretty good, though. Doesn't it? Sounds pretty good. Mm-hmm. Mosh said yes. BTC taking a break. Yeah, right now. Right now it's taking a break, man. We know what happened. We chilling. It is what it is. Sip. I don't do sips. I do chugs. You guys know back in the day we used to chug this like crazy. Man. 0.75 won't happen. They're stepping us down. Exchange inflows are huge. There's a bullish div on the 36 minute to 1 day. Interesting. Let's see. Tom, we can't talk politics here, but for Bitcoin, among the prez, perhaps yes. True. My grandfather's last words were, "Don't let her eat the hot dogs." He was a butcher. Nice. Very interesting. Clint, I'm not a macro economist. I read charts. Okay? I read charts. I ain't no macro economist. Alrighty? That doesn't matter. Clint, let's go back and remember what you've told me since about right here. Okay, on this move back up, let's remember Clint told me we're going up. Clint told me not to take profits. Clint told me we're going up, don't take profits.
Dump it.
All right, in a clear bear flag, and we dumped. All right, and then we came back down. The 30K. We probably got some support. All right, good. Right here, Clint said you're gonna be waiting for the second leg down. You're not gonna get it. We came back up, and we dumped again.
Dump it.
I ain't no macro economist, man. All I know is, since 48K, we've called every move correctly so far. That's all I care about. That's all I care about, man. White Castle rug pull. We was manipulated. Manipulated. This is
No! This is manipulation! Clint told me not to take profits! He told me we're going to the moon! No! No! Clint told me we were going back down to 27K! No! He told me! He told me we're not going back down! Clint is a moon boy!
Oh, I'm just messing with you, man. You want to mess with me? I'm gonna come at you, man. I'm gonna come at you. You know how I work. You know how I work. Lips say it all. True. Munchies. They say people who pick their bottoms end up with smelly fingers. True. You shouldn't be going for the exact bottom, man. You really shouldn't.
Hey, Miss vibin' with you guys. Does this still come around?
Hey, miss vibing with you guys. Does DJ Flexa still come around? He hasn't been here a little bit. He said he was dealing with some life stuff. So I hope DJ comes back. DJ's the freaking man. I hope he'll come back around. He's a big crypto fan. So Clint DJ will be back. DJ's the homie, man. He's the homie. Just like everyone else. The XRP lawsuit, man. The XRP lawsuit. The feds are getting ready. Yeah, man. XRP will go up in 2026. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man, we got 50-50. Let's see. The massager. You got what smells more? My massager or XRP? Guys, let's answer me in the chat. What smells more, my massager or XRP? You know what I'm saying? Been buying, bro, long haul. Nice, man. Nice. BitBoy said he has a new source. Oh, God, man. Enough with these sources, bro. No one's got sources, man. Even if you got sources, they don't know shit. No one has a source that knows anything. Unless, like, you're in the government, which is totally illegal. You know? The massager. That was funny. We did the massager. You guys like, Jordan definitely sticks that up his ass. That was funny, man. Let's see. Ada. Someone just said Ada. That wasn't even a part of it. I gotta take a piss, man. I gotta take a fat piss. Holy moly, man. Poll 50-50. Guys, vote in the poll. Vote in the poll for your boy. No, vote for whoever you want, man. I don't care. It's okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, man. Dude, I have sources. Nice. Cheese. It's gonna pump now. Nothing goes down forever, guys. It's Bulls time. I mean, I would argue that that's not. I mean, I would I would argue that's not very true. I mean, for the past 6 months, it's gone down. Just like, you know, in a bull market, it can go up for an extended period of time. You know. So I would argue that's not true. You know, to say that, you know, listen. Don't worry, guys. It is gonna go back to the upside. It is. It is. Don't worry. It's the Bulls' time. We're due to pump. We're due. Strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon. Bitcoin's at 26K. Strap up. We're going to the moon. Guys, we're not going back up until Jimmy is bearish. Jimmy's bearish. George is bearish. Till everyone's bearish, we're not going back up to the upside. You know what I mean? Please, more horse guy. Of course, we're doing more horse guy, man. TJ. Let's see. All right, we'll do this. We'll do this. It's 50-50, man. All right, we'll do this. We'll do this. Guys, we're going to close this poll at 8:40. So you got 3 minutes. Vote on the poll. All right? Vote on the poll, please. If anyone's in the stream, please vote on the poll. If there's anything you guys could do for me, vote on the poll. All right? 8:40, we're going to close the poll. All right? 8:40. It's 50-50 right now, so we can't even see who's winning. Vote on the poll. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, man. And we're going to close the poll. We got to settle this. We got to settle this. All right. So BNB, we're still chilling. Tether dominance. I mean, nothing's really moving right now. We're kind of chilling at the moment. Chilling. When everyone is bearish, then Bitcoin's bullish. I haven't said everyone's bearish for a long time, man. What's going on, Easton? Thanks for joining the channel, man. Thanks for hanging out and joining. At the end of the day, guys, I get it, right? I get it. It's a tough time, right? I understand. It's a tough time in the market, right? Everything's red. Stocks are red. Bitcoin's red. The prices of everything in life are going up. It's not an easy time. But guys, if you want the best opportunities in life, you gotta take some risks when everyone else is too afraid to buy assets. And I'm not saying you buy right now, right? You guys buy. I just bought right now because, listen, I can see the chat. I can see everyone's salty and everyone's fearful, right? I can see it myself. I like to buy when everyone's fearful, okay? That's right now. Doesn't mean this is the bottom. I don't think this is the bottom. But at some point, you got to take a risk, because at some point, you got to stop saying it's going to go lower, it's going to go lower, it's going to go lower, it's going to go lower. I have my thoughts about where we're going to go. But, these are really awesome. I'm to keep it 100% real, man. These are really the best times you're hoping for. And a lot of you guys, like, if you got in the market in 2021, 2022, right, at the worst times, like, that was me in 2017, right? I wish I could go back to 2018 again. I wish I could go back to during those shitty times, and I wish I could have invested more. These are really the times where we're going to look back and remember and be like, shit, man, those times sucked at the time, but holy shit, was it worth it, And I'm not saying that to be a moon boy. You guys know I'm over my moon boy phase. I'm going to keep it real. I'm not being a moon boy anymore. If the charts look bearish, I'm going to be freaking bearish, man. I'm still bearish at the moment, but guys, these are really the exciting times we look forward to. As Bitcoin's dropping, right, in the background. These are really the exciting times, man. Whenever you're ready to take the step in, just make sure you take advantage of it, man. As I say, when Bitcoin bottoms, it's not going to be there for very long. All right? It's not going to be there for very long. 840. Let's go. Clint, man. 840, 51% Jordan Smarter. Let's get it.
Pump it.
Let's go, Clint. You're just mad I can time the charts better than you. Pah! I can tell Clint has like the same personality as me. I think that's why we butt heads and we get along so well. I don't know if we get along. I can tell Clint has the same personality as me, man. He does. I can definitely tell. He's a little bit of a troll, and he has a little bit of an ego too. I could definitely tell. I can definitely tell. That's why I like battling him. The little troll. BTC stays at the bottom for a while each bear market. It does. But the problem is, during the bottom of each bear market, right, people always think it's going to go lower. So you don't know at the time it's the bottom. Right? Guys, if you go back to 2018, man, everyone thought that this was going lower. Like, right here, everyone still thought this was going lower. Yeah, it's easy to say in hindsight this was the bottom. But you got to remember, everyone and their mother just thought this was consolidation before we're going back down to 1K, right? So you never know when the bottom's going to be. And that's why I say take advantage when you can, because quite frankly, it's like, it's easy to say in hindsight we're the bottom, but it's not easy to pinpoint in the moment, right? So just make sure you realize that. Like, every bottom, everyone thought it was going lower. March of 2020 was absolute panic. Everyone thought it was a zombie apocalypse, right? Everyone's wearing it. I'm not going to get into it. Everyone thought it was a zombie apocalypse. Everyone thought we're going back down to $500, 1K. And we didn't go that low, right? We bounced back up. Everyone thought we were just going to come right back down. And what do you go? Bitcoin went on a freaking bull market, man. Bitcoin went on in a freaking bull market.
Enjoy a bucket of White Castle.
Okay? But, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So, Keep it what it is. You never know when the bottom's going to come, so you got to take advantage when you have the time. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. Thought it was just the fingers down my spine. True. Jordan is the smart. Jordan is the smart. Let's see. Smartest clown. You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is. Guys, you might not think I'm smart. Give me a couple more weeks. I will have a better win percentage on my trades than all these other smart people, all the other smart traders on YouTube. I'm telling you. Because I'm putting in the time, I'm putting in the effort to learn. I like to have fun on my stream, but guess what? I will have a better win percentage on my trades than all these other guys. I'm telling you right now. Because I'm not looking at meme symmetrical triangles, meme wedgies, meme freaking, I don't even know, okay? That's all I'll say. Geez, AVAX at $16. Nice. So who voted the other? I don't know, man. There was no other thing. But I am the smartest clown on YouTube, that's for sure. What's up, Drunk Bear? The 1 minute shot. The 1 minute chart's probably going nuts. Let's see. George said we're still bullish. Sure. The 1 minute shot. This is a 1 minute chart. It's not really much to take from the 1 minute chart, man. That's what I'll say. Intro to crypto. Your fans always talk of you. Intro to crypto. Fans always talk of you. Ryan, who is that, man? Intro to crypto. Your fans always talk of you. I think that means a compliment, man. I appreciate it, Ryan. Your boy's wicked smart. Intro to crypto. Your fans always talk smart of you. True. We'll see you in a class. Drew, I'll be in there, man. Next week, I'll be in there. Know what I'm saying? Huge bullish div on the daily. True. Huge bullish div on the daily. Let's go check it out. Let's bring up the RSI. Let's see if we got a little bullish divergence on our relative strength index. Let's see. All right. So, what we got here? Yeah, you got bullish divergence. You got bullish divergence right now. It actually is the same. I think back here you had the same type of deal. Yeah. Back here last summer you had the same type of deal. So you had lower lows coming in, right? And you had higher lows coming in. So yes, you do have some bullish divergence forming as well here on the daily time frame, which is good. It's what you want to see. It's stuff you want to see, right? You got lower lows coming in, and you got higher lows coming in. So that's definitely something that you want to see, right? That would be a good sign of a possible reversal. But we got to see it play out first. I want to see a little upwards confirmation here, right? I want to see some upwards price action before I count on that bullish divergence playing out, you know? But that's definitely there. That's definitely there. Good call, man. Really good call, man. What's up, Thea? Jordan is awesome. Thank you, man. Sometimes I can be. Sometimes I can be a little bit of a brat. I can be a little bit of a troll, right? But thanks. That means a lot. Seriously. Some opium divergence. Some hopium. We got to bring back the hopium smoke. You guys want the hopium smoke back? Let me know in the chat. Should we bring back the hopium smoke? Who was here for the hopium smoke back in the day? Right? Who was here from the hopium smoke? The hopium smoke during the Moon Boy days. Should we bring back the hopium smoke? I think we need a little hopium. I think we do. I think we do need a little hopium. Yeah, Jordan, bring it back. Bring it back so you can drown yourself in hopium while the charts go down. I'm getting your sock ready. Just bring it back. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Only idiots would do hopium right now. Only idiots would spit hopium. There's no hopium in the charts. There's no hopium in the news. There's literally nothing positive going on right now. What hopium can you do? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, man. You guys remember the hopium days? There was like 2 streams we did the hopium. All right, Bitcoin's dumping again. Here we go. Are we going to do a W reversal, though? So let's actually go to back to the 5-minute time frame. We're creating a W reversal, right? Let's see if we can hold. Once again, just like we said earlier, we come back down. We break 26.4. That kind of nullifies that, but You know, it's what you want to see at a bottom of a move is this. So we'll see if it works out again, right? It might not work out, but that's the thing, man. You wait for confirmations. You wait for confirmations, but in order for you to get a reversal, you want to see this pattern first. Now, this is the 5 minute. We're not looking at a crazy time frame, but it's just an example. You want to see this formation start, right? And you want to see now a decisive move to the upside here, all right? So let's watch this. Let's watch this as it plays out, man. And if it breaks the wick again, well, that cancels that out, and we're coming lower, right? So let's see. Let's see. And Noodles was way down with opium. True. True. I'm not putting any long position besides spot. I just bought some spot Bitcoin. I'm not putting any long position in on BTC until we get back, at least back above the 15-minute 50 EMA. I ain't touching no long position at the moment. No long position at the moment. I truly am smarter. Clint, I don't believe you, man. I don't believe you, Clint. Every move you told me has been wrong. Every move you told me has been wrong. Clint. I don't want to challenge you, man. I don't want to challenge you. Because Clint might come out and hustle me and absolutely destroy me.
Manipulation. For 5 years, he's talking W, M, fibs, RSI, UC. But last 2 weeks, he's sucking vector candles. Be careful, my friends. Facts. I truly am smarter.
Let's see. These tiny movements, man. Hey, we're watching Bitcoin. We're watching Bitcoin live, so we got to watch small time frames. It's about to free fall. Pick your coin. At the end of the day, guys, we're all clowns. Everyone that watches my stream is a clown. But guess what? Guess what? We have fun while we're clowns. That's what we do, man. That's what we do, bro. All right? That is what we do. And whoops. Hold up. Let me do this. You hurt my feelings. Let's see. Dude, that like button get lit up today? Yeah, man. Someone's botting the freaking like button, man. Someone's doing that. I don't know who's doing that. It's not legit. I'm not taking credit for those likes, okay? Someone's botting it up. I don't want them to do it, okay? I'm telling you guys live right here. So we have live evidence of this. I don't want that to be happening, okay? Someone's doing that to my stream. Some idiot. Some idiot is doing that to my stream. But I appreciate it. For you guys that like legitly hit the like button up, I appreciate you guys. Seriously. Let's see. How do you fake a like button? I don't know, man. I don't know who's doing that. It's kind of weird. $1,400 ETH. Yeah, ETH is getting pounced. All coins are getting pounced. 1405 on ETH. Continuing the move lower on Ethereum. Continuing the move lower on ETH. Let's continue to watch this, man. Just refreshing you guys. We did get the capitulation flash on the hash ribbon. Right? Every time we've seen that in a bear market, it has resulted in a massive dump. So I just want everyone to be prepared for that, okay? Just want everyone to be prepared. I'm not saying it's going to happen again, but every time it has flashed in a bear market, that has resulted in a in a pretty big dump, right? At least like a move from the highs, right? 2018 flashed, popped, right? Obviously March of 2020, we already looked at that earlier. And then back here during this bear market, we had the capitulation flash right here. And you popped, right? So be prepared. I don't know if it's going to happen, but it's better to be prepared than not be prepared. You know what I'm saying? It's better to be prepared than not prepared. Money is right. I'm pretty sure the guy who made the hash ribbons said it's not valid anymore, but I have to dig for that info. Check it out. Wayne said, face it, Jordan. People like you. True. Which I don't know why. I'm kind of a dick. I can be kind of a dick sometimes. Maybe because I try to keep it real, man. I try to keep it real, you know? I do. You know? I try to. A lot of times I try to keep it real. I tell you guys all the time, I don't know shit. I'm learning, but I still don't know shit. Okay? If I did thought I know shit, okay, I would have a trading group, right? I would be charging people $100, you know, to freaking learn how to trade with me. I don't do that. Why? Because I'm still learning myself. I just joined Tino's Patreon, okay? And I told you guys I was doing this on Saturday. I don't really know shit, man. Now I'm learning. I think I'm getting the hang of it. But I still got a long way to go, man. You know? If I did, I thought I know shit. Sure. Don't leave, Clint. Why is Clint leaving? Clint! I don't want Clint to leave. $100, $1,000 a call. True. More expensive than Ben Cowan. What? Charging what? Whatever Ben Cowan's premium list is. What? Charging $100 for a risk indicator that I could make in 30 minutes? I'm just keeping it real, man. I'm just keeping it real. I like Ben Cowan, but it is what it is. Can't remember this many limit orders getting filled. Just a little one. 25K support on the chart. 25K support. Probably low support. Ignore trolls. What is the bottom for BTC in your opinion? 200 SMA. So it's what I'm going with, man. Do I know that for sure? No, I don't know that for sure. I have no idea. Okay, I have no idea. It is what it is. But you know, it is what it is, man. You know, that's where I think the bottom is. 22,384. You know, it is what it is. Spy at the lows. Next level is 24K. Hopefully we have resistance at 25K. True. Thank God Clint didn't leave. We just chilling, man. We just chilling. What about Clint? What's your low? Tito is a great leader. Yeah, man. He's a good watch. He's really the only person I've been watching lately, to be honest. Where do you guys think the bottom is going to be? Let me know in the chat. Where do you guys think the bottom is going to be? All you smart Alex in the chat. We got a bunch of smart Alex in the chat. Where do you guys think the bottom is going to be? Let me know. And while you're doing it, hit the like button up, all right? We're just chilling, watching Bitcoin today. You know, it's a rough day for a lot of people, man. All coins came down. Bitcoin came down. I get it. It's a rough day, all right? Sometimes I'm a little bit... Sometimes a little bit hefty, man. Sometimes I can get a little bit hefty in what I say. So I apologized earlier, man, by saying that I hope it goes down. I know a lot of people have a lot invested in crypto, but I do too, right? So that's why I say you gotta have your emotions not in the market. You know what I mean? That's why I say that stuff. I'm in the same boat as you guys. You know, at the end of the day, I get it. It's a tough day for a lot of people, man. It's a tough day. So I get the chat being a little hostile. I get a little saltiness in the chat. I get it. It's not fun. What if I said 19,999? I would be so pissed. I would literally be so pissed, man. Imagine that, and then Java comes out with the sock. 19,999! Jordan, I told you you're going to eat the sock. I told you. Here's the sock. Eat it. There's garlic, tomatoes, onions, peppers, everything you always wanted on it. Here you go. Enjoy. I just ate one too. But that would piss me off so much. If literally you went right to that level. Ryan Watt, you're crazy, man. Ryan Watt is crazy, bro. Ryan Watt and Aaron Watt come in like crazy. You guys are nuts, man. You guys are nuts. That would suck. True. Start marinating that sock now. True. Socks to beat you. Let me see what you guys think in the chat up here. Let me scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up. 19.7K is the bottom. The bottom's already in. I told you guys the other day, the bottom is already in for Bitcoin, okay? The bottom's already in. There's so many bullish things going on for Bitcoin right now. 22,500. No, Josh, the bottom's already in. 15K. Tyrell, no, the bottom's already in. King, no, bottom's in. Robin, no, you're wrong. Tom, you're wrong. Phil, you're wrong. Dale, you're wrong. It's not a crypto winter. It's a crypto summer. So you're wrong. Kevin, you're wrong. The dude, you're wrong. You're wrong, man. You're wrong, bro. Oh, man. All right, let's see what Bitcoin does here, guys. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Holy moly, man. I have to do the opposite of this right now. What's the opposite of that? You guys can probably think. All right, so 26,350. 32K. So yeah, we're watching this. This is looking a little shady. Looking a little shady here right now. So we broke the lows. I mean, listen, like, man, Bitcoin's just in kind of a free fall right now. So trade at your own risk. If you're trading right now, trade at your own risk. I'm not gonna try to catch this falling knife. Who's trying to catch this falling knife? Who has a long in right now? Let me know in the chat. Who has the balls? Because let me tell you, if you can catch the bottom of this just relative move, you make a lot of money. Who has the balls to put a long position in right now? I ain't touching this with a 10-foot pole. Right? I'm not touching this with a 10-foot pole right now. You guys can do what you want to do. Who has a long position in right now? You got some serious balls if you get a long position right now. I'll tell you that. Miners are dumping. Facts. So much action tonight. True. That fake W. Dark Lord's longing. Swing trade bananas longing. I have long since 69K. I just long at 27.3. All right. I'm DGen. Hit fat longs this morning. Still waiting for my entry tonight. Yeah, I got this long earlier today. It was looking scary for a moment, but I got that one today. I'm not touching this right now, though. I'm a long on shorts. I only long the tops. Nice, man. I'm long on shorts. That's the way to go. Oh, Lord. Maya, get me a water bottle so I can pee. Lord. Get me a water bottle. Guys, do you care if I go pee? Because Bitcoin's dump right now. It's hard. It's as someone who runs a stream, it's hard to get off when Bitcoin's at its lows. I'm gonna go pee real quick, guys. Watch Bitcoin. I will literally be right back in 10 minutes. You guys can tell me if I'm gonna wash my hands or not. All right. Let me know if I'm gonna wash my hands. Let me know if I'm gonna flush. Both of them. All right. Let me know in the chat. In the meantime, you guys can listen to the dumb music. All right. There you go. Where's my water bottle? Jordan washes hands. is thy question. Oh, did Jordan wash his hands? If Jordan had noise canceling software, we would be able to hear him pee. Oh, Lord. Do you guys actually hear the pee? There's no way. There's no way, man. There's no way. There's no way you could hear the pee because Bob's going nuts downstairs. This is manipulation, right, horse guy? Horse guy, this is clear manipulation. Am I right? This is clear manipulation. Yeah, this is clear manipulation. This is ridiculous. This is manipulation. Jordan is lying. We are not going lower. There's no way. In George we trust. I am George. We're all George. Yeah, we're all friggin' George. Right, Bob? Right? I'm not George. I hate George. I don't like BitBoy and Wendy. She's hot. Oh. What? Wendy? Who is Wendy? I must see her. Oh, Lord. What do you guys say in the chat? Clint, I appreciate you, my man. Clint, I love you, Clint. I do love you, man. And here's the thing about me. If I pick on you in the chat, that means I love you. And I don't pick on anyone more than Clint. Seriously. I love Clint. We butt heads because we have a very similar personality, I can tell. Clint probably looks at me and goes, wow, that's a younger version of me. Right? I know Clint thinks that. He's like, wow, I wish I could be Jordan's mentor. But he's just so much smarter than me. Jordan's gonna be me in 20 years. That's what Clint says. Ryan, I appreciate you again, man. You're absolutely crazy. And we can't hear me. Hold up. No way you guys can hear me. You guys can hear me, man. Hello. You guys are fucking with me. Mike, can you turn on the TV real quick to see if they're fucking with me? Clint says. You guys are fucking with me. You can't hear me. You can hear me. Oh, okay. You guys are fucking with me. Joke's on you. You're fucking with me because I can hear you through the TV. Come on, man. I know you guys are fucking with me. I know you guys are. Let's see. Jeffrey said I need to poop. Maybe I did that too. Who knows? Who knows, man? No sound? You can hear me. I know you can hear you. You guys are fucking with me. I know you are. You can't trick me like that. All right, let's see. So ETH, $13.95 for ETH, man. That's crazy. We hatched that plan when you were at the toilet. As everyone say, you can't hear him. You cannot troll the troll. I've told you guys this. You cannot troll the troll. I am the biggest troll. And that's where the cookie crumbles. I am the troll. Okay? I am the troll. So deal with the troll. Let's see. McDonald's. Man, guys, McDonald's won't even hire me. We're in a recession. You guys probably haven't seen the McDonald's hat. I can't even get a job at McDonald's right now. We're in a recession. Okay? I'm fucked. Literally. I can't even work at McDonald's right now. It sucks. It sucks. We're in a little recession. I can't. They won't even hire me, man. Technically, we already did. True. What else we got? All right. So, ETH getting crushed. I'm sure alts are getting annihilated. Let's go look at Solana. I'm sure Solana's below 30 bucks now. Let's see. Yep. 29 bucks for Solana. RIP to that $30 support. Holy Lord. $30 support loss for Solana. RIP. There goes Solana, man.
Dump it.
All right. What else we got? AVAX. I'm sure AVAX is getting slaughtered. Let's see. I'm not even gonna bother doing TA and alts, guys. 'Cause it's gonna depend on what Bitcoin does, man. AVAX, $16 AVAX, dude. That is nuts, man. That is nuts. I mean, alts are pushing 90+% from their highs. It's absolutely crazy. 1640 for AVAX. That's absolutely crazy, man. RIP AVAX. What else we got? Cardano, I'm sure, is getting annihilated. Let's see Cardano. Let's just witness the carnage that's going on around the cryptoverse. 47 cents. M formation playing out perfectly for Cardano. If you got in the short up here, congratulations. That was a pretty easy short in my opinion. Wick to the upside. Take the wick off the 50 EMA. Pocket right to the downside. That was a pretty easy short for Cardano. I did not short personally. I was shorting Link at the time. Link was my short of choice. But nice if you got there on Cardano, man. What else we got? Cardano. Luna? I'm not looking at Luna, man. No way. TA easy today. It sucks. Facts, man. That's absolute facts. Jordan, what kind of TA is this? All you're saying is, it sucks. Show us some symmetrical triangles. Show us a wedge. Show us something. Your TA sucks compared to Carl Lamone. I'm going to watch Carl Lamone. Carl is so much better than you. Let's go watch Carl. Let's go turn on Carl's stream. Hold on. Let me turn on Carl. Here we go.
And I'm here to cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link.
We know.
You like Bybit.
Carl! We know you like freaking Bybit! You show it every freaking video! You make 2-minute videos, and a minute of it is freaking Bybit! You don't tell us shit! You literally don't tell us shit! Hey, Carl, man, and you made this new channel where you just flex all your cars? We know! You're rich! We get it! My freaking God! Carl, man!
All right. What's going on, Miller? Good to see you, man. All right. Continuing on. I say eat socks. I hope not, man. 26. Bitcoin just dropped like 26.1. We'll see if we continue down. All right, Ada. How many people we got here right now? I got to assume we got about holy moly, man. How many likes we got today? Hold on, it's loading. 1,400 likes. I want to believe that that's real. I don't. Especially on it was like a bull market. I would think that's real because everyone's in a good mood. Everyone's hitting up the like button. But in a bear market, I don't believe that's real. But everyone that hit the like button up, I appreciate you guys. I do. Seriously. I want to believe that's real. I do. Because I have faith in you guys. All right. So, man, let's look at total market. Look at total market cap, man. It sucks. That's the TA today. It sucks. It sucks. Let's see. Yeah, 103. Yeah. All right, P-Man. I mean, if we're looking at, let's go to the weekly on total market cap. What could we be looking at here? Here we see a move all the way down to 940. At least the previous weekly close. Come on, man. I hate when this stupid arrow thing pops up. I could see this coming all the way back down to at least 950 billion, man. At least here, the previous weekly close lows, 950 billion. It's crazy, man. And well, let's see what plays out there. All in all, it is what it is. Breaking below the 200-week EMA. Did you do that in 2018? You did. So you broke that in 2018. Not a surprise. But yeah, so let's look at as it is. Bitcoin 26,164. It's going to be one of those nights, guys. This has been a shitty freaking weekend for crypto, man. Holy moly. Here we go. And we play it again. Here we go, man. Boom. 26,150. Here we go. Going back down. We're going back down to Goblin Town.
BTC or FTM, come back from
ETH is
the
down to
depths of
1373. Holy moly. Holy moly. Is this the capitulation? Not quite yet. I think there's more to come. Most capitulations go to the 200 week. I'm not going to lie, guys. I know that sounds bad, but I would love if Bitcoin just popped right to the 200 week. To be honest. Just get all these... And I don't mean this in a bad way. I mean this in like... Test who actually has conviction in this market. Right? Test them. Test their will. Right? If Bitcoin just capitulated like it usually does at the end of bear markets, be quite frank, I think that would... I mean, the slow bleed kind of sucks. The slow bleed is worse. The slow bleed to me means it can go lower. All right? I think what you want to see at the bottom is a big, just a massive sell-off. That's what you want to see. I don't think we've seen it yet. Right? The slow bleed's worse. The more it slow bleeds, the more I think it can go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Right? But we'll find out. Mike Saylor, aged 10 years in the last 24 hours. He looks like a zombie. Either to the 200 week or the 25K-ish. Clint said 26K is your next buy limit. I just bought a little bit. Nothing crazy. But, yeah, we'll see when I get off the stream if I buy some more. It's looking a little shady. So Clint's buying at 26K. I bought a little bit higher. So my buy's already down. But hey, that's why you DCA, man. Because you don't know where the lows are going to be. You don't know. Buy a little bit here and there. It is what it is. Capitulation going to come when S&P loses 38,000 as support. Nice. Your mom isn't even here tonight. That's how you know it's bad, man. When my mom's not here tonight, you know it's bad. You know it's really, really bad. Let's see. In the next few months, pay attention to the weekly death cross because that will be crypto signal. Man. 26K of BTC. Is Clint going to miss his buy order, man? It's going to pump up right here. That'd be annoying. That'd be really annoying. You think this is the bottom? Bro, you know how many times people have said that? You know? Who knows, man? Who the frick knows? Everything's pointing to down here to me. Everything's pointing to like 23K. Everything's pointing to like 23K. Every single thing is pointing to 23K. Weekly RSI, almost oversold. Monthly RSI is... Let's see the monthly RSI. Monthly RSI smacking that level where it's bottom in the past. Right? 2019, 2014, smacking that level it's bottom in the past. So, I mean, we are at the brink. And we also had the hash ribbons indicator get the capitulation signal. All right? So, there's a lot of things pointing, in my opinion, to, you know, a pretty big sell-off in the short term, but I don't think it lasts very long. That's my opinion. You guys can think what you want to think, right? But who knows? I have my opinion. My opinion's just as important as yours, right?
Currently buying at.
Oh, refresh my top bar? My bad, man. I got you. Let me refresh. I think that should be good now. The market's dumping so hard, it's not moving. There we go. Should be good now. 26,132. Good to go. Ryan came with the super chat. What's going on, man? Psycho Pearl said, will BTC or FTM come back from the depths of hell? Yeah, at some point we'll come back from the depths of hell. It's just a matter of when, man. There's a lot of things going on in the world, and Not even a revolving crypto, you know? So, we'll find out. We'll find out. Are y'all buying right now? Currently buying ETH at Cycle Pearl? I bought BTC earlier on stream. So, at least I did on my phone. It's down already, but who cares? Who cares, man? I guess some of you guys do. It would be nice if that just constantly updated. Yeah, I gotta see this website that I used to use for that used to like refresh automatically, but now they have it this where like it refreshes every couple seconds, which is kind of annoying. I'll try to find something tomorrow. Let me add that to my to-do list here. My to-do list is very long, guys. There's like 2 things on it. Let me write this down. Let me actually just turn the page here. And let me update my to-do list. So, change
Leave a like if you bought a 26
price ticker.
Leave a like if you didn't buy smiling face.
Anything you guys want me to add to the stream, by the way? Let me know right now. Let me know in the chat anything you guys will add to the stream. I will do it tomorrow. All right? Because we're getting down to business here. We're getting down to business. We're not messing around, man. Let me know anything in the chat you guys want me to add to the stream. Could be anything, man. Could be the smallest thing. I know a lot of you guys don't care, but I do appreciate the feedback, man. I really do. It could be negative feedback, good feedback. I don't care. Sell, 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 dump. Then up the limit orders to accumulate. Okay. Sell, sell, sell. Drew said, I purchased $1 of every top 200 coin. Did you really? Drew, did you actually do that, man?
Sell, sell, sell.
It's an interesting strategy.
Limit order to accumulate slightly smiling face.
Dancers. Of course you guys come in and say dancers at a stripper. You guys are too funny, man. These bikes are real? I don't know if they're real, man. I hope they are. Riot, what's going on, man? A fart counter? Topless. You guys come in with the trolls, man. I love it. I love it. I love it, man. When I come back, I expect 24K. Yeah. Toilet cam. Any other morons? I love when people have the depths of calling themselves a moron. You know, I call myself a clown. If you can confidently call yourself a clown or a moron, you're doing something right, man. You're doing something right. Did he use the piss bottle? No. Let's see. Add what you are eating each day in the corner. It's so random. What am I going to eat tonight? I mean, you get it. It's bear market. What is that? I got some chicken. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna make rice in the form of a steak, and I'm gonna make ramen and act like it's like some fancy pasta dish. So ramen with rice of a form of a steak. It's probably what I'm doing in the bear market, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Rice and beans and rice. Yep. Spam musabi. Ryan, you're freaking crazy, man. Ryan, I gotta, bro. I don't even know what to say, man. You're gonna eat. Don't be making those jokes in the chat. Be respectful, Steve. Just kidding. I know you're respectful, man. I know you're respectful. Add clock. Your face is in the way. A clock. Oh, you're saying over here. I see what you're saying. Add the sock countdown. I can do that. I'll put that in the bottom left. I'll put the sock countdown right here. Put the sock countdown right there. Let me actually write that down. Let me write that down. Sock countdown, bottom left. Hold on. I actually have a piece of paper right here. And I have a pink pen. So yeah, take it for what you will. I'm old school. I write down my to-do list on a notepad. You know, I'm old school. You know, that's how I know I'm smart. I'm just fucking around. I'm just fucking around, man. All right, yeah, we're still watching Bitcoin dump here, guys. Still watching Bitcoin dump. And altcoins dump. I mean, it's a dump party. It's a dump party today. Let's see. Sock countdown. There we go. Okay, Boomer. Stress level meter. Spell it out. How many dollars left until Jordan has to eat a sock? Right now it's $6,083 until Jordan has to eat a sock. And we are 6 months away from Jordan have to shave his hair off. I think that one's worse, man. I don't even care about the sock. I don't even care about the sock. I'm hoping you guys forget about that bet in the next 6 months. The sock one is whatever. Can we watch ETH dump? Yeah, we can do double screen if you want. Let's go double screen. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go over here and put on ETH. Let's see what we got. So 1356 on ETH. We'll put ETH over here. It's just dumping. Right there. Here we go. Let's look at this. Dude, the only thing that sucks about streaming, man, is these altcoins are just dumping. And I just want I want a FOMO short. It kind of defeats the whole purpose. I want a FOMO short into these alts. But I guess that's kind of the same thing as FOMOing and the prices are going up. So I guess it's stopping me from doing that, I guess. That's a lot of down candles. True. There's Bitcoin, there's ETH. 1350 on ETH. Down candles galore. I mean, right now it's just carnage, guys. It's just carnage. Yeah, there's actually the chat's actually pretty positive. I do have to say, usually during times like this, the chat is so negative. It's like all we hear is this.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency.
The chat's actually pretty
is
positive, man.
An idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking,
I like
according
it.
to a study
I mean, that's a good
at the Bank
thing.
of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Jordan FOMO shorted. Pump it. You know that's coming. All right, 1350. If you FOMO short, you would have made a shitload of money on ETH. Just say on stream you FOMO short. All right, guys, I'm about to FOMO short on my phone. Let's see if it works. All right, Jordan's about to put a short in for Ethereum. Here we go. All right, Jordan's going 100x leverage. Actually, no, not 100x leverage. Jordan's going 20%. 20x leverage on ETH for his whole ETH stack. There we go. FOMO short. FOMO short. All right, now, guys, now what we expect. I just went FOMO short. So now what we expect is this. All right, this is what we expect now. Yes, we are watching Jordan's stream. Yes, we have confirmation. Yes. All we need to do now. Yes, dump it. Yeah, no, don't dump it. Don't dump it. We don't want to help Jordan right now. He is telling his viewers to FOMO short. So now you know what to do. Yes. Confirmation, yes. Pump it.
What? Jordan just told us he just literally told us on stream the short. My first short ever. He was so confident. No! Jordan told us the short. This is all his fault. This is ridiculous. He literally told us the short on stream. Manipulation. Jordan is manipulating us. He is a scammer. He is a freaking scammer. Jordan is a scammer.
All right, enough of that. Oh, God, sometimes I run out of breath. Oh, man, I've been talking for 2.5 hours straight. Sometimes I get off stream and I'm so gassed. Maya's like, Jordan, I'm not used to you being this quiet. And I'm like, I've been talking for 2 hours. It doesn't sound exhausting, but it is. But I have fun doing it, you know? But then I get off stream and I'm exhausted. Ridiculation. BitConnect. 25.9. So we hit 25,000 for Bitcoin. 25,954. ETH 13,046. Craziness, man. Let's go a bit back to the. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. As I burp. I can only hold my burp in for 2 hours and 28 minutes. After that, the burp has to come out. I need some deodorant, too. I need some deodorant bad right now. Holy moly, man. Clint said, I still don't get how small your hands are. Actually, Clint, normally I would go along with your troll, but my hands actually aren't small. I can actually palm a basketball. They look small, but they're actually not. I could actually palm a basketball. Not many people can do that. Not many people. Normally I'd be like, yes. Like I told you earlier, my dick is only 1 inch. Clint's is 2 inch. Clint has a bigger dick than me. But yeah, my hands are actually pretty big. So, take that, Clint. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. They're not. Prove it. Look at this, man. My head is bigger than my head. My hand is literally bigger than my head. How are you going to tell me?
No, it's
It's bigger than my head. How are you going to tell me this is not? It's bigger than George's head. Let's compare it to George's head. George, come on. Let's compare it to your head. This is how we measure it. If my hand is bigger than Jordan's head. Here we go. Look, it's bigger than George's head. Actually, no, it's not. I don't know if anyone's hair. Look. Yeah, guys, Jordan's hand is bigger than my head. It's confirmed. It's literally confirmed. Okay? Oh, man. Hold on. My head's itchy. My head is really itchy. There we go. All right. So 1351. Bullish divergence on the dailies invalidated. Let's see. Should I just get rid of this, guys? I mean, we know we just broke out of a bear flag. Do you guys want me to get rid of this bear flag? Is this depressing to look at? No, we're going to keep it. But let's look at the bear stiff. Is it invalidated now? Still not invalidated. You could still have it play out, but you need to see some some type of upwards momentum, right? Because right now you got zero upwards momentum, right? You got higher lows, lower lows, but until you show a little bit of upwards momentum, you can't say this is bullish div, right? So it's not quite invalidated, though. Do I think it's gonna play out? Nah. Remains to be seen. If we look at some type of typical TA, which at this point, guys, I don't know. I mean, stock RSI is getting bottomed out, and you have bullish div on the daily, on the RSI. So if you were to take any positive, all right, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Maybe that plays out, all right. But I mean, still haven't hit the levels I'm looking for yet. So let's wait and see. He palmed a tennis ball and got excited. I can palm a tennis ball. You're correct. All three lines going down. Can we update the trend line? The trend lines? Do we even have any trend lines? I don't think we even have any trend lines yet. Like, there's no support on the weekly. Oh. There's no support on the weekly time frame. Right? The monthly, so we don't have that. There's no support on the monthly until 20K. The daily, I don't even think there's any support on the daily time frame. Looking left, I mean, you have some at like 24K. Right? There's a previous high at 24K. Looking left, right here. But other than that, man, I mean, it's really not much until like 22K-ish, you know? It's really not much. So this could be a bumpy ride here. Bumpy ride. See how next week is, man. We'll see how next week is. Your voice reminds me of McDonald's. Does it really? It's interesting. Stock futures down big. Oh, God. It's not going to be good for Bitcoin tomorrow, then. It ain't going to be good for tomorrow. Let's see. The trend line is just down. It's all red candles. There's not really any trend lines. Like I want to help you out and draw some trend lines, guys, but there's really not anything to look at, you know? We can look at what we were looking at before. You know, I know there's a lot of people looking at this as a wedge. You know, if there's any chance of this playing out, you know, that's invalidated. That's pretty much invalidated now, right? I know a lot of people looking at this long-term wedge formation like this. You can see we got a weekly close below this level, like, right? 1, 2, 3 touches. You got the weekly close below, right? So as of right now, that's invalidated too, you know? So I don't know. I don't know anything besides what I've been talking about for the last, however, that I still think Bitcoin's going to touch the 200 SMA at some point. I don't know when. So far, so good, right? I mean, we're getting that second dip to the downside. It's just, it broke straight through, right? So it's a wait and see game, man. It's a wait and see. It's literally a wait and see, you know? So let's get it. This is the fun times in crypto. These are the fun times in crypto. Volatility. Because when you have the most volatility is when you can make the most money. Sideways action sucks. When you have volatility, you can absolutely kill it. Waterfly said on an AM. Yeah, I'll be on 8:30 AM, man. 8:30 AM, of course. It's going to be an interesting week this week. Going to be a very interesting week this week. We got the FOMC meeting coming up midweek. I think it's going to be a very interesting week, man. I think we're going to learn a lot about where we're going. Like, I think we're going to learn a lot about a lot of different things this week, you know? I personally think that this is the week that we could go down and test the 200 SMA, right? So I think this could be a very interesting week to test the strength of BTC, if it's going to hold the levels we're all talking about, right? You know, it is what it is. Unless you're dipped in. Sailor is prepping for another big guy guaranteed. Double down. Probably. When's the last time Sailor bought, you know? I love volatility. Volatility is awesome, man. Volatility is freaking awesome. I love volatility. You'll learn a lot about where we're going to go. What are your thoughts on ADA? Altcoins again. I mean, listen, I'm not looking at altcoins right now. As much as I want to look at altcoins, man, and I want altcoins to go up, altcoins, there's 0 point of looking at altcoin charts right now, right? I'm just gonna keep it real, 100, keep it facts. There's no point of looking at altcoin charts. You gotta wait for some strength in Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin's dropping, altcoins are gonna get decimated. All right, I'm gonna keep saying it, man. I mean, it's common sense. I think most people know that, but for anyone who doesn't, right? Which I get it. People are new to crypto. They want to learn. When Bitcoin's dropping, there's no point of looking at altcoin charts, man. You know, we have the Ethereum chart here just to watch it, but it's really facts. It's really facts. Can you check Doge? I'd rather George gonna go up unless you short, which I know a lot of people on my channel don't short, right? So I mean, yes, you can look at altcoin charts, but I honestly, the way I look at altcoin charts is I short altcoins based on what Bitcoin's doing, right? So if Bitcoin's looking bearish, I'll short an altcoin, right? I'm not going to short an altcoin based on how its charts look like. I'll short an altcoin based on what the Bitcoin chart's looking like. Unless it's an altcoin that moons for no reason, then you can short it. But, you know, other than that, this is what it is. My jug is done. That's not good. That's not good. Let's see. Why the F is Luna in the green? Man. Doge getting kicked hard? Let's look at Doge. Maj, you looking at Doge? What's Doge at?
Type 1 if you think BTC going lower than 25
Let's see.
Kelvin.
6 cents? It's actually not getting kicked as bad as some other ones. It's going down pretty hard, but It's actually not as bad as some other ones. Like Solana's getting. Let me go back and look at Solana. Keep the Bitcoin chart on the left here, guys. Solana 29. I mean, Solana was just at $34. Now it's at 29. Right? I mean, we looked at AVAX. We're gonna keep the Bitcoin chart over here because that's what really matters. But yeah, man, craziness going down. DXY is probably pumping. Yeah, it's coming down a little bit actually. You know, for what it is. We'll keep ETH and Bitcoin up here, guys. But yeah, that's the state of the market. Don't get played out. Your jug looks like my portfolio. Think about a glass half full, man. Think about a half glass full. All right. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you guys think we are going to see the capitulation this week? Let me know in the chat. You guys think? And guys, I'm not saying the capitulation is a bad thing. I actually think the capitulation will be a good thing. You know what I mean? Because I think we need. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't believe this, but every Bitcoin rally has started with a giant freaking self. Ryan Watt, you're absolutely crazy, man. GA said type 1 if you think Bitcoin's going lower than 25K. Thank you, GA. Guys, type 1 in the chat if you think Bitcoin's going lower than 25K. Type 1 in the chat if you think Bitcoin's going lower than 25K. All right? Clint said, you're just being nice. Doge. Ooh, that looks great, hon. No, she knows. She knows. Everything looks like Shiza. Let's see. Might see it tonight, the way things are going. True. Too soon? I think we'll see capitulation. I mean, we can go back and look at it, guys. I mean, I don't want to scare you. I actually think capitulation will be good, right? You always see, like say it like March of 2020, you saw a massive crash before you went up, right? 2018, you saw a massive crash before you went up. You know, you can go back in time, right here, 2015, massive weekly candle. Like you're talking about a weekly candle of 38% to the downside before you continued up. Right? I mean, you can even go to like this mid-cycle dip / whatever you want to call it. Massive dump before you went up. All right? Everything, you always had a capitulation before you went on a serious market. I'd rather get it over with now rather than wait, you know? And fortunately, the market makers like to make us wait, you know? That's what they like to do. They like to bore you out. Get everyone out that they can just by boring you out, and then capitulate and get everyone else out, you know? So, we might have to wait, but it is what it is. That's hopium right there. That's a little bit of hopium. Maybe drunk bear. You know, I get a little spice of hopium in here. You know? Wicks get candles. Very, very true, bullish crypto. So I've been saying forever, I think Bitcoin's coming back down to take this wick. There you go. Bitcoin came back down and took the wick. We've been saying that the whole time. It was in this consolidation period here, you know? Very, very true. Bitcoin always comes back down to take the wicks. Always. It might take a long time, but it always comes back down to take. One that I hope it doesn't come back down and take is is this March 2020 crash down here that we never came back to. But, you know, we're just going to ignore that one. We'll just ignore this wick, okay? Act like that one doesn't exist and just kind of go, you know, kind of sneak over here. Shh! That one doesn't exist, guys. Shh! We don't want Bitcoin to go there. Shh! Just ignore that one. All the other wicks, yes, Bitcoin recovers, but not that one. Shh! Hey, guys! Bot told me not to tell you. There's a giant wick at 3K. There's a giant wick at 3K, guys. We're going back down to take that one. You better put your shorts in. Guys, there's a giant wick at 3K. Oh, Lord. Those two brothers, they love each other. They love each other. They really do. They're so cute together. I wish I could hang out with them, you know? I'm just kidding. I do hang out with them. I do. Let's see. Yes, summer long fall. Let's see, man. I appreciate that you're on, Jordan. Most other YouTubers just ghost. I don't think that's relatively true. You know? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I have fun during these times, man. Because it's like, it's action, you know? Gives you an adrenaline rush. It's better than boring. I hate consolidation. I'd rather the market dump. And this sounds weird, but I'd rather the market dump. I have more fun with dumps than I do sideways boring action. Sideways boring action blows. It delays the inevitable. It really just delays the inevitable. Either way, if you're in a downtrend, you consolidate sideways, you're most likely going to dump again. Right? I hate sideways. Just freaking go down if you're going to go down. You know? Stop delaying the inevitable. Just do it. People promise Solana summer. Who's promised Solana summer? What? You just like dumping? I do. I do, man. I would rather the market move. Facts. I would too. I would too. Especially now that I you know, I'm not a dumbass anymore, and I realize that you can make money both ways. You know. Bitcoin will reverse when no one's expecting it. Very true. Very, very, very true. So Daniel said, laughing my ass off. Solana summer. Who said that? Who said there would be a Solana summer? Can someone tell me in the chat who said Solana summer? Lordy. Listen, first of all, an altcoin's not going to pump without Bitcoin pumping. So anyone thinking that there's going to be this altcoin that just freaking goes nuts during a bear market, there's no such thing as an altcoin summer. If an altcoin has a summer, that means Bitcoin's going up too. If Bitcoin's not going up, there's not going to be a Cardano cuckoo. There's not going to be a Solana summer. There's not going to be an AVAX Chuvax, right? There's not going to be a, I don't know, Decentraland winter, right? There's not going to be any of that. Not going to be any of that. Let's be honest. Not trying to burst anyone's bubble. Solana summer can be sexy. Name of someone. That's very true. Solana summer. That sounds like a porn star name, doesn't it? Sounds like a porn star name. I think Melissa actually. That's actually Melissa's name, I think. Hold on. I think that's Melissa's name, guys. Oh no. Actually, that's the Crystal Ball girl. You guys never knew my name. My name's Solana Summer. What do you think I'd do with this crystal? What do you think I'd do with this crystal ball? You think I just rub it for no reason? We're in Solana summer, man. No, you don't. You stick my neck in it. Because I'm pencil neck. Come here, Solana summer. I'll show you who has the long neck. Oh, man. I have too much fun with that stuff. I'm a weird bastard, but let me know. Listen, I'm a weird bastard, but I love being a weird bastard. I really do. I really do. My head's itchy right now. Oh, man. I can't wait till Maya rubs my head after the stream. Oh, she's going to play with my hair. It's going to be great. All right. Let's see. 25,911. Of course, it's 911. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down. 25,953. It's going to be great. Have a really ugly daughter. Call her Solana Summer. True. Oh, man. Let's see. Thank you, Drew. All right. Jimmy with the stimmy. Jimmy with the stimmy's dead, man. I think he's buried in the ground. He's dead. He's nowhere to be found. Jimmy with the stimmy is no longer alive. I think this is what he looks like. I can't do it.
Can you add to your to-do list?
I can't look at the face, man. Oh, Lord. All right, 25,934. See? Oh, Lord. All you can do is laugh, man. Look at Bitcoin right now. All you can do is laugh. Life is good. Oh, Lord. I do not have a problem with. I do not have a problem with inflation. Just guide your fans. Help them. Exactly, Ryan. Appreciate you, Ryan. Lord Mario said, late here summary on ETH. Bags are ready. I mean, ETH is actually, if you look at ETH, Bitcoin's dumping right now, but ETH is right. So this is ETH, this is Bitcoin. Yeah, this is Bitcoin, this is ETH. Bitcoin's dumping again. You know, it's what it is saying, guys. Like, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. ETH is actually just kind of chilling at the moment. This is ETH over here. You know? So, what I say for ETH, man, is if you're going to look to buy ETH, try to at least buy Bitcoin at some value area, right? I guess the value areas we have now for Bitcoin, I mean, you broke the 200 EMA on the weekly. You just smacked that to the downside. I mean, listen, man. I mean, look at the weekly time frame. There's no support looking left. There's zero. So on the daily, there's nothing to 24K. I would say that 24K might be an interesting area, but in reality, it's who the frick knows right now, man. Who the frick knows, right? Stock futures are red tomorrow, which means it's probably gonna be another red day. Who the frick knows, man? Let's see how it plays out. All I'll say is, just be ready. Just be ready with your stable coins. Just be ready with your fiat for whenever the time comes. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. I don't know I don't know what's gonna happen. No one knows what's gonna happen. But all I'll say is be ready, man. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know. The daily lows smacked, right? So right now it's really just a wait and see. That's what we're trying to do. We're just kind of hanging out, you know, just kind of hanging out. Have fun staying broke. Buy gold, everyone. It's real, not fake. Bro, this is all I have to say to you, man. This is all I have to say to you, man. All right? You may be winning right now, but this is what I'll say to you, man. You want to buy gold, have fun. Have fun. Have fun with your have fun basically with your asset that can't even outperform inflation every single year. Have fun with that asset. I'd rather buy Bitcoin at 69K right now than hold gold. I'd rather be holding Bitcoin at 69K in a 60% loss right now than holding gold right now. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. Right? Why would I hold an asset that can't even outperform inflation? All right, this year, yeah, it's great, man. It's great. Inflation hedge. You know, you do yourself. You do yourself, man. But if you're a long-term investor, holding gold, man. Pass. Let me know where gold is in 2024, man. Come talk to me in 2 years like a true investor does, which invests for the long term. Let me know where gold is in 2 years comparative to Bitcoin, man. Let me know. Let me know. Have fun with your 10% gains, man. You know what I'm saying? My Lord. What? It's true. It's true. Like inflation 8.6%. Okay, you made 1%. 1%. Ryan Watt said $10, 2.3% higher from now. Nice. Ryan, nice job, man. But can you buy that do-rag to your to-do list? The do-rag? No, dude, I can't. You guys know why I can't. I don't even know if I can say this. I don't know what I can say nowadays. Because here's the thing, guys. I wear a do-rag, probably cancel. All right? I say I can't wear a do-rag, probably cancel. So, you know what? It is what it is. We're just gonna wait for the do-rag ad to come back. First of all, I mean, the do-rag's not really my style anyway, so I don't feel like wearing a do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Inflation, I love inflation. True. And if you want, we can look at if you want, like, I know Bitcoin's dumping. Let's bring up the gold chart over here, right? while Bitcoin's up. We can see Bitcoin's dumping, guys. There's no support on Bitcoin. We're just waiting to see how low it goes right now. Let's see. So let's look at gold. Gold. Let's see. Gold. Golden goose. Golden goose. Let's see. Right here. Let's go over here. Look at gold. Gold's dumping too. All right, let's go to the monthly chart on gold. All right. Let's go to the monthly chart. Let's look long term, right? For all you long term investors out there, right? Gold is awesome. Woohoo. Right? Let's go look at gold. I mean, if you even want to be nice, okay? If you want to be nice and take gold from 2016, okay? Take gold from the bottom of 2016, all right? Let's see this. Right here. You're up 76%. I'm going to be nice and give you the exact bottom, okay? I'm going to give you the exact bottom for gold. So you're up 76% from the bottom from 2016. I'm being nice, too. I mean, I could go a little bit farther back. I know gold went nuts here, okay? I know gold went nuts over there. Awesome. Woohoo. You know, fun times. You know, since 2001. All right, awesome. This is what it is. But let's. I mean, I could take this from really any time. You want to take it from when Bitcoin came out? I'm not going to do that. Let's take it from 2016, the lows, right? I mean, it's up about 76%, like we said. I'm not even going to go to see how much Bitcoin's up since 2016. You know, it is what it is. If you want to be investing in gold, I see no problem with it. You know, but you know, for everyone, the thing that gets to me about gold, it's the people that say gold, and they hate on Bitcoin. Okay, they hate on Bitcoin and crypto, yet they say gold is like the best asset to hold. There's nothing fine with holding gold. If you want to hold some gold, have some diversification into gold, there's no problem. But don't hate on Bitcoin because you're balls deep in gold. Don't hate on Bitcoin. All right, that's all I have to say. There's no problem with gold. Right? You can own gold, but that's not my point. It's like don't hate on crypto because you own gold. All right, Bitcoin's dumping. Here we go. Dump it.
Dump it.
I don't know, we're just cheering on the dump now. That's what this came to. We're cheering on the dump. There we go. We're just cheering on the dump. I'm kind of upset. I'm not shorting right now. Who is in a short right now? If you're in a short, you are freaking banking right now. You are literally banking. Who's in a short? Let me know in the chat. Who is in a short? Who's in a long? Because everyone... Oh, Lord, I feel bad. Because everyone who said they were in a long earlier just got absolutely annihilated. Who's in a short and who's in a long? Let me know in the chat. Who's long and who's shorting? I'm telling you, man, I'm not longing right now. This is a freaking falling knife. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. Let me put this back on ETH. Let's go back to the short-term time frames, or the 15-minute time frame on Ethereum. All right, ETH is coming back down to 1345. ETH is coming down in Goblin Town. Bring out Bitcoin a little bit here. Short. I'm shorting right now. Wait, which GST? Hold on. I know you guys don't care about this, but I have a massive short in on GST. So I'm just curious what it's at right now. Actually, that's not even the right one. It's the freaking, hold on. It's not even this one. GST. I'm just curious, guys. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. It'll take me 2 seconds. GST, USDT. There we go. Let's fucking go, baby. All right. Anyways, that's all I had to look at, guys. That's all I had to look at. The long squeeze. Nice.
I just WNA see how
Major
many
liquidations?
get hit.
Major liquidations. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could have longs getting freaking destroyed, man. Because if you look at the weekly chart, man, like, there's probably a lot of people, like, there's a lot of people that, like, you know, you got yellow vector candle, yellow vector candle, yellow vector candle. There's a lot of things going on over here, right? There's a lot of things going on here. A lot of volume came in here, right? So I mean, a lot of volume could come in back down to the downside there, you know? It's kind of what you've seen since. Craziness. Craziness in the markets right now. Craziness. Clint said, who cares? I do, Clint. GSD sucks. We'll see, man. I mean, everything, to be fair, everything sucks right now, you know? To be fair. What altcoin is not dumping? You know what I'm saying? Let go SETI. Jordan has transformed into Savvy 2.0. How are the Bitfinex longs still so high? Guys, can I... This is what I mean, man. Stop listening to these stupid indicators, bro.
Wow! Look at the Bitfinex longs! Wow! That means we're going to the upside. Do you see the Bitfinex longs? Do you see the Bitfinex longs? Wow! Look at the fear and greed index. It's clumped. It's so clumpy. It's more clumped up than my nose. The fear and greed. Bitfinex longs. Wow.
Stop listening to these stupid indicators. Listen, I used to listen to those stupid indicators too, man. I will say it. I used to listen to some of those stupid indicators too. I'm the first one to admit my mistakes. Those things don't mean shit. Okay? They don't mean shit. Oh, Lord. The Sniffmeister. Everyone on Twitter like retweeting the Bitfinex longs bullshit. That shit doesn't mean shit, man. Lord. We shouldn't care about today's prices. True. True. BitBoy predicted this. Nobody, and I mean nobody, gets liquidated like the Bitfinex longs. Gizmo said, grow up. This is not funny at all. You know what's funny, man? You know what's not funny? You being salty in the chat. Don't be salty because you listen to the Bitfinex longs, TA. Okay? Don't be salty. Don't be salty because you looked at the Bitfinex longs and went, wow, I must put a long in too because the Bitfinex longs are going up.
Pump it.
Don't be salty, man. Don't be salty. I'm just spitting facts. It is what it is. I'm just out here spitting facts. Don't shoot the messenger, man. No shoot at the messenger. All right, BitBoy was right to sell at 40K. He didn't. I don't think he did. He said he was going to, and then he didn't. You know what I mean? But in hindsight, hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. He was right, you know? V. Salty McNulty's. BitBoy was right all along. You know, if I'm going to hear it tomorrow, man. Even though he did, I don't think he actually sold, right? He was like this. He was like this. The biggest channel in the interwebs. And yes, guys, I will bench press at the end of this video. But first, I told you guys I was correct in selling at 40K. I literally told you guys I was correct. So, you know, you should have sold at 40K, okay? You should have sold at 40K. I was telling you guys if Bitcoin dropped below 40K, it was going to be really, really bad, okay? I told you guys. So just remember, next time you don't listen to me, make sure I am always correct. My sources are always correct, man. Right? My sources are always correct. I told you guys this. I'm always correct, and that's about it. All right, now to bench press.
God. No. God. God. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
All right, I'm done. All right, 25.6. I kind of want to watch. I kind of want to watch George just to see what he has to say today. Should we watch George, guys? No, he probably. I don't think George likes me anymore. So he'd probably strike my channel. You know. So he won't do that. I wish we could just sit here and watch George. That'd be fun. You guys say, huh? Oh, he's not streaming? I wonder what he has to say today. Jeez? Jabba? Where's that? BitBoy never recognized this Coin Bureau's channel? True. Short in the market up 10K. Get TJ in there, benching next. TJ? No, we're not gonna do that, man. Ryan, you're crazy, man. I don't even know where you're coming from at this point. You're coming from this angle, that angle, bada bing, bada boom, da da ding, da do. You're coming from every angle. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. ETH double bottom W. Oh crap, where did ETH go? Over here. Bitcoin. I mean, ETH is actually. I'm surprised with Bitcoin going down like this. The ETH is actually not coming down harder than it is. It's actually kind of just like clumping up here, right? Now this is a good clump. We bouncing off support? Trying to. Let's see. These levels are kind of be protected. Yeah. Suddenly all the YouTubers disappear. I don't think they all disappeared, man. Is anyone else on? Usually Ben Cowan streams at this time. You know, when you get in a dump. Which I'm surprised. Usually George comes on. That's really it, though. No one else really streams at night, though. Like, you gotta remember, a lot of people are from, like, the EU. Which is, like, super late over there, you know? And, yeah. A lot of people are from the EU. And, you know, a lot of people stream in the morning, you know? So I don't think anyone's hiding, you know? I don't want to throw anyone under the bus. You know, I'm real, man. Like, if I want to call out someone, I will. But I don't think anyone's hiding, man. To be honest. I don't think anyone's hiding. Mike Whitman is. If I show them, let them see. All the Vikings fighting on Gala's side. Yep. That's facts, man. Who we got in here right now? Who we got in here? We got the biggest dump we've seen in a long time for Bitcoin, man. In a long time. In a long time. There's no way we have 1,700 likes, man. If that's legit, which I have no way to prove if that's legit or not, guys. Like I said, yesterday's stream, someone like botted the likes up. But if that is legit, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys hanging out. This is one of the longest streams we've done in a while. I can't get off. Like, as someone like crypto is literally my life. I cannot get off stream with like the possibility of a capitulation event happening any moment. You know, I can't. That would be irresponsible of me. You know, so we're gonna stay on a little bit. I'm getting hot and hungry though. Maj, you getting hungry? You good? Okay. I'm friggin' starving right now though. Maybe I'll have like a peanut butter wrap, just to hold myself over, because I'm getting really hungry, man. Isn't this the spot we went down to recently? I think it was, man. I think it was. People obviously come and go. True. Very true. I had to like 5 times. True. Jordan can't get off. Sorry, bud. I can't. Make myself a rap? I should make myself a rap. Ah, Lord. Call for carryout. Stay live. True. 24-hour stream today. Oh, Lord, man. I want to do a 24-hour stream, but I want it to be. I want it to be during a positive thing, you know. What's a capitulation event? A capitulation event is when you just see a massive sell-off, man.
What's a
Like,
capitulation event?
and it's you might think, all right, aren't we seeing that right now? No, man. A true capitulation event is a freaking, you're getting popped to the downside. Like, you're getting popped. Think March of 2020. Think end of 2018. Think May of last year. That's a capitulation event where you just see a friggin' day of just getting pumped 30-40% to the downside. Now, listen, I'm not saying I think that's necessarily going to happen right now, but you know, don't just be prepared for anything. Is all I'll say, man. Be prepared. I got some wraps. I got some peanut butter. Holy mo! I got some peanut butter, and I got a knife. Is this Jabba?
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a peanut butter wrap. I'm hungry. Wait. I'm hungry. I'm just gonna eat all these. Because they all fit in my mouth. There's like 20 of them in here. They really fit. Jordan, how much peanut butter do you want? I usually use the whole jar. Okay. On one wrap, I use the whole jar. Okay.
Jabba's making me a sandwich, guys. He's making me a sandwich. MM Crypto liquidates at 25.5. Oh Lord. Well, he's holding it right now, man. He's holding it right now. It's all is good in the world. Put some fruit on it, banana or strawberries or something. No, man. We go with the pure peanut butter. Only. Because you don't need to put anything on peanut butter. Peanut butter is one of the greatest inventions on earth, man.
25.4K level. Oh, here's George.
Peanut butter.
We must be breaking it. I'm gonna check.
I always name my favorite foods, but I never name peanut butter. I think that's kind of unfair to peanut butter. You know, peanut butter can never go wrong. It's one of the only things. Not one of the only things. Well, one of the things that you can just eat plain. You know. There we go. That's all I need. I need a little energy, man. Because I've been talking for 3 hours and 10 minutes now. You know? This is usually when that energy starts to dissipate. Alright, here we go. There we go. Can't believe we're sitting here watching just a massive sell-off for crypto. It's crazy, man. Crazy times. You look like BitBoy in the early days? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You guys seen BitBoy's old hair? He looks good now. You give him credit, he looks really good. He actually lost a lot of weight and he has a normal haircut. Back in the day though, man, he back in the day, man, that haircut, I don't know if you saw BitBoy's old hair, but that was brutal, man. That was literally brutal. Did he say what's going on? Bro, I'm doing what I gotta do, you know? I'm freaking starving right now. They just tweeted. Tricky Nick said I'm here for the comedy. Yeah, man, you gotta understand, I've been live for 3 hours, you know? Like, eventually my voice starts to give out too. Try honey on it sometimes, it's great for energy. It's my mid-workout snack. Nice. Nice, man. Clint said, no excuses, dude. Grow a sack. You know what, Clint? Take that. Right up your mouth. Making me hungry, dang. Yeah. Someone said, is he really eating a peanut butter and jelly on a soft taco? Oh, God. You guys kill me in the chat. You really do. You really do. You guys literally make me laugh every day. It's crazy. Which coins am I bullish on? Clint, get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. What coins am I bullish on? Hold on, guys. Gotta make sure I don't choke. I have a tendency to choke on peanut butter. I'm bullish on nothing right now. If you want my honesty, I'm not bullish on one thing. For long term, Bitcoin, ETH. I like Sol. I like Cardano. I like BNB. I like AVAX. I like Chainlink. Yeah, I'm not really. I don't love a lot of things, man. To be honest. You know? Chew louder? I'm trying not to. I'm trying to talk and chew. Alright, here we go. Dude, can you close your mouth when you eat? Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hold on. There you go. In the meantime, Bitcoin's dumping again.
Dump it.
It's a never-ending cycle, man. Crypto's about to get liquidated. Symmetrical triangle didn't play out.
Celsius just stopped all withdrawals and transfers.
Hold on. And yes, guys, and yes, I am about to get liquidated. I have a long position, a massive $1 million long at approximately about 25,500. That is my liquidation price. If I get liquidated, I am screwed. I am screwed, and I no longer can live near the Burj Khalifa. Okay? And I no longer cannot wear any shoes. So, guys, I must not get liquidated here. All right? And yes, guys, there is a massive ocean behind me. This is the last time I might be able to see these ocean views. Okay? So, guys, I do think we're going to pump from here. Okay? Take that for what you will. And make sure you guys smack up the like button. Smack up the like button to the all-time high. I know you guys are spitting on my chest. You guys are spitting on my feet. You guys are spitting on so many different things that I don't want you to spit on. Okay? So many things. So stop spitting on me and root for me. I do not want to get liquidated. I do not want to get liquidated. Oh, Lord. Why the hell would you long at 25? This is what it is. Clint said hit below 25K, please. Clint, come on. Chris is a good guy. Don't root that. Don't wish that evil on Chris, man. Chris is a good guy. I think. I don't know. I don't know him personally. He just got liquidated. Oh God. I don't mean to laugh. I don't want to get liquidated, man. I guess we can all laugh. I mean, the market's going down. We can laugh at other people's misery, you know? The longs are a lot. Why are you trying to catch falling knives, man? How you going to long at 25.5? It might still hold. Who knows? Who knows? We'll see. I would not be putting any longs in right now. Putting a long position right now is straight degen. Straight degen. I'm talking leverage longs. If you're doing spot for long-term holds, that's fine. Leverage longs right now, that is straight degen stuff. That is straight. During these times, I ain't touching no leverage on a long, man. None. Now, I wish I was shorting right now. If you're short right now, you are cooking. Well, I'm shorting an S coin, but I wish I was shorting more coins. Because you are freaking straight cooking right now. With no end in sight. Like, Bitcoin is not even showing any weakness to the downside. It's just popping to the downside. Just popping it. You know? You are the loudest smacker I ever heard. Chewy, you love me, man. Chewy, you love to troll me. But I love you, Chewy. You watch every day. You're in here every single day, Chewy. I love you. Anderson, I love you, man. Creighton, I love you. Ryan, obviously, I love you, man. Billy said, Celsius just stopped all withdrawals and transfers. Oh, great. That's a good sign. I'm shorting 6 coins. Let's see. Could be worse. Who bought at 69K? True. True, that's for sure. Eli said, I almost think Luna is holding up. Luna is holding up BTC right now from that 25.4K level. Oh, here's George. He just started. We must... Listen, man. I'm going to keep it easy on George for the rest of the day. I've gave it enough on George, man. You know? Gotta be honest on one thing. Kind of scary to drop this much in a day. Looking doomy. Any areas marked off long term for BTC? Man, I would say there's not much support looking left, man. I would say the first level I'm looking at is right around the 24K. Yeah, it's about 24,000. Let me mark it off here on the daily. There's a previous high, because it's not much. I mean, look at the price action looking left, man. I mean, there's not much. You got a previous high here at about 24,300. That's the first level I'd look at. And then after that, you got these two boxes right here. You got two yellow vector candles looking left down in this range. It's really about 24.3. If that breaks, man, I'm going to be honest, you could be seeing that 200-week moving average closer than you think, man. Right? But just remember, guys, I want everyone to remember this too.
Rant alert.
Just remember, I know everything's doom and gloomy, doom and gloomy, doom and gloomy. All right? Just remember that Bitcoin has a tendency to bounce whenever you least expect it. So, you know, I personally don't think it's bouncing right now. If I'm wrong, I'll take the L. It is what it is. But just remember, Bitcoin has a tendency to just flip. But I don't see that happening. All right, I'm gonna say that I don't see that happening whatsoever right now. So I know there's a lot of doom and gloom, but there's always a lot of doom and gloom when Bitcoin bottoms out. Right? Bitcoin never bottoms out in a cheerful and friendly environment. No, there's always so much FUD going on and fear. It's never just like, oh, wow, look at Bitcoin. Wow, I think it just bottomed out. Woohoo, yeah, life is so great. Wow, Bitcoin just dropped 50%. Yeah, woohoo. No, you're never happy when Bitcoin's bottoming out, man. It's always a doom and gloom. So keep that in mind. Maybe 17K. Bitcoin on a vector candle taken barrage. Yeah. I'm that one dude buying Bitcoin and ETH right now. I bought Bitcoin earlier on stream, man. I think I bought it right up here somewhere. I think it was what was it up here, guys? Like 26K? Somewhere around that area? I forget now. Who knows? Higher than it was now. Mickey Mouse voice. It sounds like a rip-off Mario. Facts. Holy moly, man. Hell no, ma. What's your prediction for the bottom? Right here, man. This cozy moving average right here. If I'm wrong, I'll take the L. It is what it is. 22,380 is where it is now. Now it's a moving average. It moves up every week, right? So take that into account. But I see it bouncing from this area. Now, I'm talking about a close, right? Wicks are wicks, right? You never can predict wicks. Like you can see, and I don't care about wicks, quite honestly, but you can see a wick below here. But I think as far as a weekly close, I'm saying that the 200-week moving average is the bottom on a close. You can see a wick below, though. You can definitely see a wick below. And that wick below is going to be absolutely frightening, right? If it does happen. I don't know if it's going to happen, man. Listen, I'm saying if it does, there's going to be a lot of freaking pounce. There's going to be a lot of fear down here if it does happen. But I'm saying on weekly close, the 200 moving average with a possible wick below based off previous precedent. We'll see if it happens, man. I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. No one knows. Anyone who's saying they know is dumb. All right? To be quite honest, you know. I want to be buying with my crypto boys when this happens. Me too, Crane. I want to be buying, man. I want to be buying. George is finally admitting we were going down. Now? I gotta do it, man. I'm sorry. I am George. We're all George. Guys, I have something to admit to you. Let me take a drink before I say this. I know I've been talking about the fear and greed index clumping up. I know I've been talking about tech dev fractals to 200K. But guys, it is now a bear market. It is literally now a bear market. We are going down lower. We are going down lower. Wait, yes. Yes, we have confirmation. George has sold his entire portfolio and now he's saying the bear markets, we are going lower. That's exactly the confirmation we needed. This making this the biggest bull market we have ever seen for crypto. I want to see 300, 400K and leave George in the dust. Pump it harder than you ever pumped it before. I will say it one more time. Pump it.
Yes! Yes! I finally didn't listen to George! Yes!
Oh, man. All right. I got to watch George's video after the stream today, but if he finally admits it's a bear market, that is the bottom signal of bottom signals. Seriously. I probably will buy more. If I hear George say it's a bear market, I am probably going to buy more after the stream. I'm not going to lie, man. The biggest moon boy on YouTube said it's a bear market. If that's true. I don't know if that's actually true. I don't know if you guys are trolling me or not. But we'll find out. We'll find out. Celsius, man, they stop withdrawals. That's not good. That's not good, man. That's not good. What's going on, Drunk Bear? I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that in the chat. Explicit Syrian. That was funny, man. I'm not reading that, though. He did admit it. It's the bottom. It's the bottom. He finally did us a favor. We finally have bottomed. And it's the perfect scenario because we have the W reversal. We have bottomed, guys. Wait for my thumbnail in the morning. We have bottomed. Fuck yeah. Bull market back, baby. We've been waiting for this. Alright, guys. Dude. This is craziness. Craziness, man. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. And going. And going. I don't even have to say anymore. It just keeps going. And going. And going. Slowly. Just tearing at your soul. Let's see. Thank you for Tino. I would have known. Hybrid is gold. Thank you, man. You know how many people have told me that said thank you for telling me to go find Tino? I've been told that by like 30 different people, man. So I'm glad I can help you out. Tino's freaking awesome, man. All right, if you guys joined his Patreon, I'll see you guys in his masterclass. I don't know if he has a class tomorrow, but I'll see you in there whenever the first one is. I'll be in there too, man. I'm all for learning. Tino's freaking awesome, bro. So many people have told me like thank you for telling me about him. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Let's see GSD. Oh Lord. I know you guys don't care about this, but I do. So hey, at least I'm getting something. Oh Lord. All right, guys. I'm getting freaking tired, man. As much as I want to stay on here, I'm getting freaking tired. I'm gonna get off. All right. So George has officially capitulated. I don't know if he actually capitulated, but let's just pretend that he did. All right. He admitted it's a bear market. That means we're gonna go up now. No, I'll see you at 8:30 in the morning, man. So not too long from now. 8:30 in the morning, we'll watch the market open, see how stock markets react. If stock markets open red, I don't even know. You know, I don't even know what'll happen tomorrow, but we're gonna be there tomorrow morning to watch it. So I'll catch you guys 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. All right. I am freaking excited to see you guys in the morning and to see what happens, man. I mean, I'm going to tell you guys, I know there's a lot of doom and gloom, but these are the times that are going to change your life. All right. Not when Bitcoin is at 69K, not when Shiba is at all-time highs, not when Doge is at all-time highs, not when Elon Musk is going on Saturday Night Live. These are the times that are going to change your life. All right. So make sure you stay vigilant. Be ready for whatever happens next. All right. Have a plan. This is why I told you guys a couple days ago. Have a freaking plan, all right? Because you don't know what's going to happen, and now now the price action's playing out. So I hope you had a plan. Hope you're sticking to your plan. I know there's a lot of fear right now, but I hope you're sticking to your original plan. That's why you make a plan before the move happens, so you don't let the fear get to you. You don't let the greed get to you. All right? I'll catch you guys at 8:30 in the morning. As always, I know it's tough to say. Don't panic, sell your crypto. You know. Don't do anything I want to do and don't panic, sell your crypto. All right? Catch you guys later. Peace, guys. Have a good night. Oh, by the way, hold on. Thanks, Mike Dutch, for the super chat, man. I'll see you in there. No BS. How low before you go to eat a sock? 20K. I'll have the timer tomorrow, man. All right? See you guys. Appreciate you guys. You guys are freaking awesome tonight. Seriously. See ya.